चलो चलो चलो. Good evening, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Everyone done with the questions, MCQ questions?
Yes.
Yes, I have shared.
सब सारे नहीं हुए
क्यों?
सर, वो बड़े क्वेश्चन बचे.
Okay, okay. Try to complete it.
यस.
And once I have shared the PDF or for each IS and IFRS, all the questions will be covered. Your ACCA Study Hub, Kaplan, BBP, and extra questions which I have given. So everything will be included in that only.
यस सर.
Last attempt only I used to include the study hub questions. Now I've combined everything which are irrelevant questions, which are easy, which are repeated. I have removed everything. So please solve it. And some questions you will see here and there. जो क्लास में करवाए वही रिपीट होगा एमसीक्यू में. मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस आर रिपीटेड ओनली इन द एमसीक्यू व्हिच वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्नड इन द क्लास.
ओके सर.
रोहित जब किया था जब लगा था क्या एमसीक्यू इजी थे?
नहीं सर, मीडियम लेवल ही. डेट बहुत
मीडियम.
ध्यान रखना पड़ता सर.
हाँ वो तो है ही है, वो तो ध्यान रखना ही पड़ता बेटे.
वो फिर एसएलएम में 2 साल हो गए, वो सब याद रखनी पड़ती कि 2 साल हो गए कि 3 साल हो गए, उसके बाद मल्टीप्लाई करो, बहुत चीजें सर.
हाँ नहीं नहीं वो तो मैंने बोला ना.
बहुत ज्यादा चीजें हो जाती सर याद रखने को.
अरे वो एज यू डू रेगुलर रिवीजन वो
सर,
इजी.
कॉन्सेप्ट नोट्स रीड करते रहो कि नहीं?
हाँ रीड करते रहो, सिंपल है
कॉन्सेप्ट
बस.
नोट्स
हाँ हाँ.
ऐसे इतने ट्रिकी आएंगे क्या सर एग्जाम में?
ट्रिकी किधर है रे? जो एग्जाम जो कोई क्लास में किया वही तो है ना, कुछ नया तो नहीं है मेरे हिसाब से. धीरे से
नहीं
पढ़ना.
सर, नया तो.
आउट
हाँ,
ऑफ
वही
क्या
धीरे से
है.
पढ़ने. सर, बहुत अलग अलग सॉल्यूशन है उसमें, क्या है कुछ. कई मंथ्स में ले रहे, कई डेज में ले रहे.
हाँ मैंने बोला वो तो ध्यान रखना ही पड़ेगा. वही
है
एफ
ना.
आर इन योर डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेशन मंथ्स का ही है. डेप्रिसिएशन कैलकुलेशन इजी, बट व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, यू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द नंबर ऑफ मंथ्स और द डेज एक्सेट्रा व्हिच दे हैव गिवन. चलो ना
वही तो सर.
टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा. चलो 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 चलो. So already I've shared this IS 40 का. In total how many MCQs I think? कितने MCQs इसमें? 20, 20, 20, 22 MCQs and a case scenario question 1. Others? चलो चलो then. Can we start now? So any doubts in
यस
PP
सर.
IS 16? किसी को कुछ डाउट्स है IS 16 में?
अभी तो डाउट नहीं है सर, डाउट तो नहीं है सर.
अभी तो नहीं है डाउट एनी
बस
टॉपिक.
बस सम्स करा दो आप.
कौन से सम्स?
एमसीक्यू वाले.
करेंगे करेंगे. नेक्स्ट वीक नेक्स्ट संडे यही रहेगा. 3 to 3 to 5 we will keep class. Till that you have time to solve the questions.
यस यस
Please try to complete.
यस सर.
Yes, okay, chalo then. IS 40. Once you try, I will be giving 5 to 6 days time so that you try, so that you get to know what are the mistakes you are doing. And whenever you're doing a mistake, write down on a sheet of paper so it becomes easy for you before the exam to revise sir kya mistake hai kya nahi. Okay.
यस सर. यस सर.
Chalo then, starting with IS 40 now. What is IS 40?
इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी.
Investment property. We had discussed some basic points when we started the standard of IS 16. मैंने कुछ ना कुछ डिस्कस किया था. Anyone?
कैपिटल अप्रिसिएशन, रेंटल टू अदर्स और बोथ.
Rental to others and capital appreciation was the point which I have covered. Then, if I say I have taken a building and it's my main business activity to give on rent, will this come under IS 40
नहीं,
or
आई एस
IS
टू में
16?
जाएगा.
So
आई एस 16 जाएगा.
it will be part of your IS 16.
आई एस
Understand that?
16. यस सर.
Okay. So now, coming to the definition. Before that, let me take examples as we have already discussed here. I mentioned that I've taken this building and I've given this on rent. If I give this on rent, I have to see whether it's my main business or not. If I say it's my business, then it is
IAS
IAS
16.
16 PP, or can I say owner occupied property? You can
Yes,
say
sir.
that. If I say I have taken a building and this building I have given on rent and it's not my business, then
IAS
IAS or
40.
Investment property.
40.
investment property. Then I have purchased a land. I have kept this for capital appreciation.
IAS 40.
IS 40.
IAS 40.
I say that I have taken a machine on. I have taken a machine, and this machine I have given on rent.
Inven-
Then which IAS will apply?
IAS 2.
16, sir.
Inventory.
16, sir.
Inventory,
16.
sir. 2.
Inventory. Yeah.
Yes.
I mentioned that machine I am taking and giving this on rent. IAS 16 होगा, IAS 2 नहीं. My aim is not to sell in my ordinary course of business. Yes
Okay.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I mentioned any asset other than land and building which is sold will be part of what?
IAS
IAS 16
16.
IAS
PP.
16. Now I say that I have purchased a land, but I have not yet determined what will I do. Question mark is there. I have not yet decided what will I do with this land. मैंने कुछ decide ही नहीं किया. Where it will go then this?
IAS 40.
IAS 40. Yes
40.
or no, everyone?
Yes.
I hope this is clear to everyone. Why I am doing this MCQ, very important questions can come. Now, which part that can come in your exam for question? One area is that you have to concentrate. So see now, what is the definition of investment property? Investment property is what? Investment property is a property. So property का meaning क्या है sir? Property basically means what? Land and building. Now this property, land and building are both held by whom? By the owner? By the owner
Yes.
or by the lessee as a right to use asset. Abhi, what is this term known as lessee? Anyone, any idea? Lessee का meaning क्या है?
जिसको रेंट पे देते हैं अपन.
Okay, Rohit is saying that. Okay, others?
The person who is the owner of property.
Yes, I say this building is with me. This building belongs to Ram. Ram has given this building to Raju on rent. Now say me, who is the lesser? Who is the lessee here?
Lesser is Ram and Raju
Raju
is
is
lessee.
Ram is lesser. So that means lesser कौन है sir? Lesser is the owner. Lesser कौन है owner? If you get confusion, just remember this O. This if O is there, then that will be the party to whom the asset belongs. The owner. This will be known as a lesser. We will cover this in detail in IFRS 16, but as of now, have a basic idea. Now, Raju is known as what here? Lessee. Can I say lessee is the third party? Lessee is the third party or using the understand with the concept here. So this is the lesser and this is the lessee. Now, sir, what is the accounting we will follow? For Raju, we will follow normally the accounting of IFRS 16. Sir, for lesser also we'll follow what? IFRS 16. But for your FR, this is not that. Only this part is that which you have to understand. Now, this is a lessee. So can I say if this lessee is having this asset, now what will lessee record? The Raju will record. If you have covered IFRS 16, you have an idea that we record debit, right to use asset, and credit lease liability. Anyone, any idea about this? Some of you would have an idea, but some of you will say, sir, ये तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. But as of now, remember what? Ram is the lesser, Raju is what? Lessee. Now, I hope the term lessee is clear to everyone. So see
सर
here.
ऑपरेटिंग फाइनेंस लीज में बाइफरकेट नहीं करते.
हाँ, वो
Finance
lesser
lease
करेगा
रहता है.
बेटे. वही सीखना. I will
हाँ.
teach you that. I will teach you that. Or by lessee, can I say lessee is who, sir? I mentioned on the first day that asset का meaning क्या है? Even though I do not have the ownership, still it will become an asset for me. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes,
that
sir.
is the reason we are saying here what? That is the reason we are saying that this lessee will have this asset, right to use asset. This also will become investment property. If I have given today a building to you on rent, you will say, sir, we will use for business. In that case, how will you account in your book? You will record this as per IAS 16. But if I say I have given a building to you on rent and you give this building on someone to someone else
सर
on
फिर से बोलो ना क्या बोलो.
I had taken the example of Ram and
Yes.
Raju.
Raju.
Raju कौन था इधर?
Lessee.
Ram is what here?
Lessor.
Lesser. Now this lessee normally क्या? If I have given a, I say that Ram is giving a building to rent for Raju for $10,000, and Raju is saying that I will take this building for rent for 5 years. So what is the expense Raju will be recording for 5 years?
Depreciation.
Depreciation. राजू के लिए पूछ रहा हूं मैं. राजू
लेसी के लिए क्या? लेसी के लिए
हाँ.
लीज रेंटल पे करेगा.
Can I say lessee will pay lease rental that is 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 for
Yes.
5 years? Can I say for Raju what is the total expense, sir?
50,000.
50,000. Abhi now when we come to your IFRS 16 also we record the expense as 50,000 only, but in a different way. That different way is known as what? Right to use asset credit lease liability. So normally क्या करते हैं? 10,000, 10,000,
सर आपका वॉइस थोड़ा सा ब्रेक हो रहा है.
Now अभी ठीक है?
Yes.
Yes, okay, chalo then. So I mentioned ki what is the total expense Raju will record, sir? 50,000. But Raju will pay this every year, no? For 5 years he'll be paying. So in lease accounting we do what हम क्या करते हैं lease में? We normally discount the cash flows that is paid every year. 10,000, 10,000 को हम discount करके क्या record करेंगे? What do we record?
ROU to lease liability.
Right to use asset and lease liability as of now, understand.
Yes.
Now, can I say this Raju will have this building now? This right to use asset will be what? Asset now. This right to use asset will be treated as per IAS 40 or IAS 16. Sir, how do we decide this now? Again, you will apply the same principle. If I have given a building to you on rent, if you are using for your business, then it will be what? IAS 16. If I
Yes.
say I have given this, I say I have given a building to you, and you are giving this building to someone else on rent, and it's not your business, then it becomes what? IAS 40.
IAS 40.
40. Understood? मैंने building दी, आपने आगे rent पर दे दिया. You have taken on rent, you have given on rent. So you are becoming a third party here, mediator. So in that case, can I say Raju will either use for business? If Raju is using for business, sir, IAS 16. If Raju is using what? For rental purpose and not business, जब IAS 40 apply होगा. Now, who is the owner of the asset here? Owner कौन है इधर?
Ram.
Ram.
If Ram is the owner, can I say Ram will record the building in his books? Building who will record, sir? Ram only will record the building. Even though Ram is recording the building, but Raju will record what? Raju will still record a. Yes or no? Raju will record what? Can I say right to use asset? As per what accounting? As per your IFRS 16. Again and again, I'm repeating this. Once we come to IFRS 16, it will be clear more in detail. So now to this right to use asset, we can either apply what, sir? IAS 16 or IAS 40. Now understood what I want to explain here. जो लिखा हुआ था. By the lessee as a right to use asset. If that right to use asset which you have recorded, you are giving to someone on rent, it will also come under IAS 40 only. So to what, sir? Rental to others. What is the main point? We have given that building to earn rental, and it should not be a business. Then for capital appreciation, to just when the price will increase, I will sell in the market, or both, or if use is not determined. This is the most, rather than for use in the business, you should not use in the business, or sale in the ordinary course of business. Business use should not be there, and it should not be kept for the sale purpose in your ordinary business activity. सबको clear है definition of investment property? Others, yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now see, something I will explain. Just understand that. Abhi, you need not go into detail, but for your FR, a MCQ can come regarding this topic, so I am doing this. Now, sir, what will lesser do? See, this accounting treatment nahi hai, but you have to understand two things. When coming to the lesser कौन है इधर? Ram. Ram do the accounting. Ram will have to decide whether it's a finance lease or operating. What? Ram should decide whether it's a finance lease or operating lease. Now, anyone, any idea? When do we say it's a finance lease? Anyone, any idea? When do we say finance?
सर फाइनेंस लीज में अपन ROU एसेट रिकॉर्ड करते और ऑपरेटिंग लीज में उसको एक्सपेंस ऑफ कर देते। सर बहुत वॉइस लो है क्या आपका?
वॉइस लो 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 ठीक है मेरी
वॉइस ठीक है क्या? फिर मेरे इधर ही प्रॉब्लम।
कंफर्म
No, sir, there's a problem.
There is a problem now also.
No, sir, now it's okay.
Okay then chalo doing a proper showing correct audible yes correct okay chalo see now what does finance lease and operating lease means. In case of finance lease the accounting treatment is different. In case of operating lease the accounting treatment is different. But what should we understand here? Please see, I have given an example here. First let me explain. In finance lease what will happen? Ram will recognize the property. What will Ram do? So basically finance lease, what is the difference between finance and operating lease? Just understand. Finance lease का meaning क्या है? Ram will de-recognize the property. That means Ram will remove the property from its value. In case of operating lease, Ram will continue to recognize the property. सबको clear है? Now you only say, if I say it's a finance lease, will IS 40 still apply?
नहीं
No. Why?
नहीं।
IS 40 will not apply because sir, it has been
De-recognized.
de-recognized. Once any item is de-recognized, we will not record, then further no accounting treatment. But agar sir operating lease hai, then what we do? We still apply what? IS 40. So MCQ very important, this can come. So finance lease में क्या होगा sir? In finance lease what will happen? Ram will de-recognize the property. तो उसका मीनिंग क्या IS 40 अप्लाई होगा क्या? IS 40 will not apply. In case of operating lease, Ram will continue to recognize the property. IS 40 will also continue. So I hope this is also clear to everyone. So please hear some examples I have given. If a property that is rented out to employees, I mentioned in the previous class also. अगर property rent पर दिया, company has given the property to rent to the employees only. It will still be what?
IAS 16.
IAS 16. It will be IAS 16. Then property being constructed or developed on behalf of third party. I mentioned what in the previous class also. If I have a land, I have given this land to you to construct. Does that land belong to you? No.
No.
That land will belong to me only. But you will record what? A revenue because you have constructed the building. You will get income. Understood?
सर आपका वॉइस
So
ब्रेक हो
can you
रहा है।
repeat again?
बहुत वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है।
Is my
आवाज लो आ रहा है थोड़ा माइक
Give me 1 minute. Now I hope it's okay.
यस सर
Yes?
Yes, sir.
So now coming to the point which I was mentioning. Today I have a land. This land I have given to you. अगर मेरे पास एक land I have given to you and I mention please construct my house. Will that land belong to you? That land will not belong to you. Yes or no? But what will you record in your books? Can I say you are constructing the house? You will record what? Income. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So property being constructed or developed on behalf of third party will be IFRS 15, that is revenue. It will not be your IS 40 inventory. Be clear with that.
सर IS 40 इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी अपनी
हाँ, but IS 40 अप्लाई होगा क्या इधर रोहित?
नहीं
हाँ, तो नहीं, IFRS 15 होगा. For you I am asking, not for me.
ठीक है सर.
Okay then. Next one. Please read this, everyone. Any doubts in this to anyone? अगर finance lease पर है, then IS 40 will not apply. Operating lease, IS 40 will apply. The next one. Land is brought, but no use is determined. Then also we say what?
IS
IS
40.
40.
IS 40. Then last point. Please see the last point. सबको clear है? You purchase a
Yes.
property or a land, but you say that I will use this for my investment purpose only. I will construct a building on this and I will give this on rent. Then also we'll apply IS 40 only. Any doubts to anyone in the definition of investment property?
Sir, can you repeat the second point? The revenue one.
Revenue one? See here now.
Yes.
Chalo then. I say Ram is there, Raju is there. Ram has a land. Ram has given this land to Raju, saying that construction should be done. Construct the house for me. Now this land belongs to whom?
Ram.
Ram. Ram will record this as what? Can I say Ram will record this as
Investment
what?
property.
Investment
IS
property. Or it could
Yes.
depend also. Or it could depend if Ram is using this for business purpose, he will say IS 16.
16.
But now I say, what will Raju record? Raju will say what? This land belongs to whom? Ram, and does not belongs to me. Whatever amount I get from Ram, I will record this as what? Revenue, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, वही है.
Yes.
So with this, your definition part is clear. I hope किसी को कुछ doubt नहीं है.
सर वो फाइनेंस लीज वाला फिर से बताते क्या?
हाँ. Clear this. I have not seen a MCQ. अगर आपका नसीब बहुत खराब है, and I mention ACCA will come up with 1 or 2 new MCQs every attempt. इसी में से आएगा. Last attempt also 2 topics which I mentioned question came. Government grant का question आया था. There were 2 small topics which are not written anywhere, but in your ACCA study one single line is given. So MCQ were based on that. So see now, operating lease and finance lease will apply in whose books? Lesser book or lessee book? First question to everyone.
Lesser.
Yes, sir. Now there are 2 different accounting treatment for lesser. We should not know the accounting treatment. We will cover this in detail in your SBR. SBR में है detail में. But here, what does finance lease means? What does operating lease means? Finance lease का meaning क्या है? Lesser is transferring the asset to the lessee. Finance lease means what? Ram is transferring the asset to the Raju. So we say what? Ram will de-recognize the property. अगर राम प्रॉपर्टी नहीं रिकॉर्ड कर रहा तो IS 40 अप्लाई होगा क्या? नहीं. On the other way, I say operating lease. If Raj is still saying that I am recording this in my books, can I say it depends? IS 40 अप्लाई होगा कि IS 16 अप्लाई होगा? Yes or no? You only say.
Yes.
सर अगर बिजनेस है तो फिर IS 16 लग जाएगा.
16? Yes. If it's not a business, IS 40.
IS 40. ओके सर.
Okay, अभी clear है सबको?
यस सर.
Huh? Okay then. Now with this part is done. Now coming to one more small topic. These all topics are very small. I have not seen such questions in your exam, but topics are very important for MCQ. We will not take even a single risk of 0.1% also. Now I say that मेरे पास एक building है. Ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor. This I am using for my office purpose. This I'm giving on rent and it's not my business. Array, let me give. It's my business. How will you treat this?
आपका बिजनेस है ना, IAS 16 होगा.
Can I say IAS 16 I'll apply to this full property? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No doubt, because it's my business of giving on rent also and I'm using the ground floor for my business purpose, no such issue. Abhi next example. These 3 floors I have given on rent. Now say me, कैसे treat होगा ये?
IAS 40
Sir,
लगेगा
IS
रेंट को.
40 for second three floors. And ground floor IS.
Okay, some is saying IAS 16 होगा, some is saying IAS 40 होगा.
सर नहीं, अलग अलग करके ये करेंगे ट्रीट.
Can I say if there is no such idea regarding standard का meaning? If a general person or as a general person if you think what will you do? Sir, ground floor को क्या कर देंगे अपन?
IAS
IAS
16.
16 record कर देंगे, we record. And for the rest 3 floors you'll say what?
IAS
IS
40.
40.
IAS 40. Now, yes, we can do this. So you say, sir, IAS 40 and this is IAS 16. Now, when can you do this? The standard has given a condition. What is the condition? The condition that the standard is saying that see here now. Dual use of a property. If the land and building is used for dual purpose, it means partly used for business purpose and partly let out. What is the first thing I have mentioned here? Please read everyone. Try to understand. The term separable का meaning क्या? If it is separable, that means हम क्या करेंगे? IAS 16 we will record for the ground floor, and for the first 3 floors we say IAS 40.
यस सर.
Now, what does the term separable means?
आप अलग अलग करके बेच सकते हैं ना उनको. फर्स्ट
Yes,
ग्राउंड फ्लोर को
simple.
अलग बेच सकते, फर्स्ट फ्लोर को अलग.
Yes. When can you sell the floor separately? Can I say when legal title is available? It has been
Yes.
legally registered with the authority. Jesse, you would have seen no, in apartments, they sell flat 1, flat 2 ऐसे. It has been registered. That is the reason they are able to sell. अगर register नहीं है तो कैसे बेचेंगे वो? It is difficult. So if it is separable, we say what? Sir, IAS 16, IAS 40. Now if I say common sense, apply common sense. If I say it is difficult to separate it, then how will you treat this?
IAS 40.
IAS 40. Okay.
IS
अनडिटरमाइंड यूज है ना.
Okay, okay. Let me take the example. Ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor. Here, what did we mention?
सेपरेबल.
Yes, then no issues. That is the reason. Now, I say ये भी office use के लिए. You have rented this and not your business. अभी बोलो. And you can't separate it.
सर मेजर पोर्शन क्या है वो देख के करो.
Okay.
सर जो मेजर पोर्शन
IS 40
IAS 40.
Can I say common sense है ये तो? Whichever part is the major part, we will say. Now, in this case, can I say we will treat this what? IAS 40. On the other way,
Sixteen. So
then what will you say?
IS 16.
अगर सर
IAS.
लीगल टाइटल अलग अलग होगा तो हम सेपरेबल कर
But I
सकते हैं.
mentioned you can't separate it. Then can I say the building is majorly used for what? Business purpose. So we say that it will be what, sir? IAS 16.
IAS
सबको
16.
clear है dual
IAS
use?
Yes, sir.
16.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
please
sir.
have a reading once here. जो मैंने लिखा है एक बार पढ़ लो बस. No need to write down. खाली याद रखना है बस. MCQ के लिए. आज हो जाएगा ये स्टैंडर्ड. We will try to do the MCQs also by today only. Any doubts to anyone in this?
वो सर
No? Chalo then. Your first question. Please say me IS 16 होगा कि IS 40 होगा?
सर IAS 40 हो.
Others?
Ground
Yes, sir,
floor
40.
IS 16
IS
and IS 40 for rent wale floors.
Okay, that means we can separate it here. Have they mentioned in the question कि
Yes, sir.
separate होगा?
Yes, sir, security.
सर
Yes,
पर वो एक
Solar
सेकंड
is
लास्ट लाइन है
separate.
उसका क्या फिर ये
Rohit is saying what, Rohit?
20% ऑफ टोटल एरिया वो
हाँ
भी एक दिया है ना
हाँ
इस
तो
टोटल.
हाँ 20 व्हाट डिड आई मेंशन अभी 100% एरिया उसमें 20% किसके लिए यूज हुआ
बिजनेस
तो बाकी रिमेनिंग कितना बेटे
80%
80
तो
so
रेंटल
this
है.
rental can I say this will be treated as per IS 40 and this will be treated as per
IAS 16.
why because the logic is what sir it can be separated if I
Okay.
say it is not separated then how will you treat this
IS 40.
IAS
IAS
40.
40 हो जाएगा.
IS 40 understood okay chalo the first small concept is done now coming to the next one example same Ram and Raju has a building Raju has given this building to Ram has the building Ram has given this building to Raju on rent Raju is living Raju is paying rent here now how will you treat this how will Ram treat this
IAS 40
IS
undetermined
40
area.
I say it's not his business when we are studying IS 40 let us assume that it's not his business so IS 40 apply hoga now when Raju is using this Ram is also providing some maintenance services as well as some security services. Normally apartments में होता है ना security service provide होता है maintenance service you pay extra. अभी भी क्या होगा?
वो अभी भी IAS 40 ही लगेगा.
Now also IS 40. Now I say with this Ram is also providing some other services. Ram is saying the swimming pool है इसमें playing area है you can order food anytime and you will get at your doorstep then he's saying that you can leave the place anytime and then or kuch Ram is also saying that we have two motor vehicles and one car you can use them whenever you want abhi bolo
IAS 16 क्योंकि
IAS
पूरा
16.
बिजनेस ही हो गया है.
are yes yes or no can I say when we see from a substance form of point of view हमने पढ़ा था substance over form substance means what here what is the actual thing done what is the facts here can I say he's doing a business only so जब भी क्या treat होगा can I say when all these services are provided ये कैसे treat होगा बेटे
16
IS 16 so these services are known as what इसको ancillary
ancillary
services
service.
we say this as what ancillary services चलो चलो everyone turn on your camera चलो
No, sir.
no okay others ये तो भाई ऑफिस में है
सर राजू को IAS 16 मतलब उसने जो रेंट पे ले रखा है ना.
हाँ बट अल्टीमेटली वो बिजनेस ही कर रहा है ना मैडम इधर
चलिए.
yes or no can I say ultimately क्या
हाँ
हो
हाँ,
रहा है
यस सर, यस सर.
बिजनेस कर रहा है ना so we go with the
राजू
substance
बिजनेस.
yes
हाँ.
so please see the next one
ओके ओके.
please see here now if ancillary services provided are insignificant बहुत कम है when then we say investment property if I say ancillary services are provided significant then we say what
EP.
PP.
I have not seen such a MCQ but be ready this has been mentioned in your study hub that is the reason so please read the question कुछ कैलकुलेशन नहीं है स्टार्टिंग. Still 5 to 10 minutes more discussion, then calculation will come. We'll come to calculation. So please read the first one, everyone. So see here, इन्होंने मेंशन किया क्वेश्चन में ऑपरेटिंग लीज है. ऑपरेटिंग लीज का मीनिंग क्या था? The person will record the asset in its book. How will you treat this? IAS 40 की IAS 60?
IA 16.
IAS 16, okay. Others, what do you say?
IS 40.
Shreya saying
IS
IAS 40.
40.
Okay, IAS 40. पूजा, पूर्वी, नेहा और कौन है?
Sir, IA 16.
IAS 16, okay.
Yes, sir. IA
क्योंकि
16.
ये मैनी टेनेंट्स को ये शो कर रहा है ना कि बिल्डिंग दे रखी है लीज पे.
Okay, they are giving
Yes,
on.
sir.
Yes, okay.
Yes, sir. Leaves.
Okay.
एसेट
That's
उसने
it.
रिकॉग्नाइज किया है ना सर.
Asset किसने
It
recognize
means.
किया? Lee Limited ने?
We limited.
Yes,
अभी
sir.
now that asset which they have recorded, we have to decide IAS 16 apply होगा कि IAS 40 होगा. Now you only say the ancillary services which are provided here are significant or small only or common.
Insignificant.
Common.
Can I say common area
Common.
security
Common
service
ही होगा.
normally, and they provide maintenance of common area. They are not saying that we will come and clean your house. Yes or no? Common area. As you pay maintenance service, you see here and there some cleanness in the society. वैसे. So it will be IAS 16 of IAS 40.
IS
IAS
40.
40
IA
होगा.
40.
IAS 40. Then please read the next one.
IS 16.
Yes, IAS.
IA 16.
Okay. Others?
16 सर.
I say IAS 16. सबको clear है ये? अगर by chance
सर
आ
तो
जाए.
ऐसे एंसिलरी एक्टिविटीज कितने आने चाहिए नॉर्मली अभी. जैसे
अरे वैसे
आपने बोला ऊपर के इसमें.
हाँ हाँ. You
ऊपर
have
के
to.
इसमें आप बोल रहे हैं कि
हाँ.
नॉर्मल जो रेसिडेंशियल एरिया है उसको भी ये सर्विसेज देते हैं.
हाँ तो वो बाद में बिजनेस ही हो जाता है. नॉर्मली they'll run PGs और स्मॉल होटल्स ऐसा बोलते हैं ना.
हाँ नहीं तो फिर आप जैसे बोले कि वो IS 40 होगा तो सर्विसेज ऐसे सर वो तो सर्विसेज बढ़ते जाएंगे ऐसे.
हाँ तो वो सर्विसेज जैसे बढ़ेंगे क्या नहीं से
अभी
एवरी.
यहाँ पे 3 है ऊपर यहाँ पे 5 है तो फिर अभी ऐसे कैसे कंसिडर करेंगे.
वो यू शुड नॉट गो विद द नंबर्स रोहित की सर 2 दे दियो तो ये कर देंगे 3. इधर देखो क्या हो रहा है. क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन से.
मेजरली तो सेकंड वाले में तो समझ के आ रहा हूँ.
हाँ. In the second one, can I say the logic क्या? You only think as a person. If you are providing all this service, that means you are doing business only, no? Ultimately.
यस यस यस.
वो intention in IS and IFRS, it's principle based. It's not rule based कि rule दे दिया कि ये होगा तो ये apply होगा. No. You have to decide based on judgment. और practical world में easy है वो करने को.
ओके.
See the intention of the management. सबको clear है ये? Okay. चलो then. Coming to the next last point for your questions from your theory के लिए. Now this is a company known as A company. ये B company है. A company has taken 70% of the shares of B company. So basically this is known as what? You will be studying in your syllabus known as consolidation. अभी सर consolidation का meaning क्या है? Understand from a basic point of view. Father is there, son is there. Father is saying that I am earning 10 lakh rupees. Son is saying that I am earning 6 lakh rupees. So father will say how much? 10 lakhs. Son will say how much? 6 lakhs. Can I say from the family point of view, how much will they say?
16
16.
16
Yeah.
15 lakhs. Yes or no? Same case for the companies also. If a company is there, a company has acquired another company. When they will acquire, as of now, understand more than 50%. If you have acquired more than 50% shares of that company, you say कि this is my company. Now इसको क्या बोलते हैं? This company will be known as what?
Parent company.
Parent.
Parent.
This,
Parents.
this company will be known as
Subsidiary.
subsidiary.
Six.
So parent company will be which company, sir? Parent company will be the company which has acquired the other company. Subsidiary company will be what? Subsidiary company will be the company which has been acquired by the other company. Now, can I say parent company will prepare its financial statements? Yes, sir. Individual also will prepare its what? Financial. A company भी financial statement बनाएगी. B company also will prepare. But your IFRS says what? These two companies, this company has acquired, so it becomes a, this becomes what? Group. So when it becomes a group, to show power in the market or to do show off in the market, we prepare what? CFS.
Consolidated financial statements.
क्या बनाते अपन? To do show off in the market. To do what will A do? To do show off in the market, A will prepare what? Consolidate.
Consolidated finance.
अभी consolidated financial statement means what? What does consolidated financial statement means? We
मतलब दोनों कंपनीज का एक साथ फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट बना दे कंसोलिडेट करके.
okay, can I say both the companies are one only? When we prepare
Yes, sir.
consolidated financial statement, what is the assumption? It's a single company. सबको समझ में आए? It's a single entity. Now if I say father is there, son is there. Father has a building and this father has given this building to his son on rent for $10,000. अभी फादर के लिए इनकम कितना है?
10,000.
10,000. सन के लिए कितना एक्सपेंस है? 10,000.
10,000.
But when I see from the family point of view, कुछ एक्सपेंस है क्या?
No, sir.
नो सर.
नहीं ना,
Eliminate.
एलिमिनेट हो जाता है.
नोशनल हो जाएगा.
नोशनल हो जाएगा.
Notional.
Yes, very good. Notional. So this only we will apply here now. अभी यही कॉन्सेप्ट अपन अप्लाई करेंगे. क्वेश्चन टू एवरीवन. I say parent company has given a property to subsidiary company. Parent company has given a property and this they have given on rent. Now parent will apply what? IS 40.
IAS 40.
IS 40 parent company will apply. Subsidiary company क्या करेगा? Subsidiary company will do the accounting as per what? IFRS 16 leases, or can I say they will record expense every year? अगर A limited is there, A limited have given the property to B limited, A limited will say this is IS 40, but B limited will say we will record expense. But from the consolidated point of view क्या होगा ये? Can I say today in separate financial statement when A is preparing its own books, A ने क्या record किया? IS 40. But can I say when we bring this together, both the companies, can I say this will be IS 40 or IS 16?
40, sir.
IS 40?
14.
IS 40?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Others?
Together के point of view से IS 16 हो जाएगा.
Can I say this subsidiary is using for its business? अभी बोलो मुझे. Subsidiary is using this for business.
So 16.
IS?
16.
Can I say from the group point of view we see, can I say property is used within the business only? Because CFS का meaning क्या है? CFS means it's a single company. So ये क्या होगा? IAS 16 apply होगा. When will you apply IAS 16? When we prepare consolidated books. जब consolidated financial statement बनाएंगे, when we prepare consolidated books, we show this as per IAS 16, not as per IAS 40. सबको clear है ये?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, चलो then. So please read here. इसको एक बार पढ़ लो. Done everyone? सबका हो गया? Okay, चलो. With this, your definition part is done. With this, your definition part is done. Now, what did I mention you now? So please write down this, everyone. Now, whatever I'll be writing, you have to write down. Make a one-page summary note so that it becomes easy for you to revise. Can I say first thing? What did we cover here, bete? First thing, can I say? I mentioned whenever we start any standard, we have to learn 6 things: definition, recognition, measurement, presentation, derecognition, disclosure. So see here now. पहले जब हमने definition पढ़ा था, what did we learn in definition? Can I say it is a property which is for what? Rental purpose and
Capital appreciation.
capital appreciation, and it should not be for business purpose and or for sale in ordinary course of business. सबको क्लियर है ये? The definition. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now coming to the next one. Recognition. Now I mentioned the recognition is same as your now in IAS 16 what we have learned, what are the recognition criteria?
Future economic benefits.
Future, can I say
future economic benefit.
probable that future economic benefit. मैंने बोला था कि when coming to this IAS 40 everything will repeat. Future economic benefit and
Capital.
cost
Cost may be
measured
measured
reliably.
reliably.
then sub any doubts in recognition? I hope सबको clear है recognition
Yes,
means
sir.
what? Yes. Now coming to measurement. I hope everyone is making this flow chart so that it can be a revision for you within one page only. Pura this one. Okay. Let me write down here some important points. Yes or no? हमने क्या सीखा था? Can I say dual use? Under dual use, what did we mention? If it is
Separable.
separable, we record
IAS
IAS
40 and
40,
IAS 16.
IAS 16. If
Sir,
not,
60 लिखा आपने.
Sir, 60.
अरे sorry. If not separable, then we see what?
Purpose.
Significant use.
Yes.
Significant used for business. What we say?
IAS 16.
IAS 16. If I say insignificant use for business. Let me complete this. Then we say IAS 40. Yes, sir. And then next one. What are the next point? Ancillary services. Significant. IAS 16. Insignificant. IAS 40. And what is the concept we apply? substance. You have to see the substance here. Then third one, what did I mention? From consolidation point of view, can I say parent company subsidiary? Parent will record this as per IAS 40. But from group point of view, that is in CFS, we apply what, sir?
IAS 16.
IAS 16. सबको clear है? Yes, sir. Now coming to measurement. Under
सर
measurement,
एक बार सर रिकॉग्निशन मतलब प्रोबेबल फ्यूचर इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट मतलब आज हमने उस पे एक्सपेंस किया और बाद में हमें मतलब वो फ्यूचर बेनिफिट देगी लाइक
हाँ, yes, बेटा.
प्रॉपर्टी प्लांट।
Yes, yes,
हाँ
yes.
जी।
अगर आपने कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी खरीदी आज, if you have taken a property, that means it will provide you benefit. कैसे? Through rent. And
ओके
exam में हमेशा रहेगा, for FR exam it will have future economic benefit. When you come to SBR, there will be a problem. Initial measurement, बेटे. Can I say under measurement we have two things? Initial measurement and
Initial and subsequent measurement.
now initially how do we record, sir?
Cost.
Initially अपन कैसे record करते हैं? Cost पर. Same as your IAS. This 160. So now in this cost, if the conditions are not satisfied of cost, if I say cost का meaning क्या है? Can I say location and condition by the management? Management only will say no. Yes, sir. Now if I say if it does not satisfies, if it does not satisfies cost, where do you record this? Can I say expense हो जाएगा?
Yes.
हमने पढ़ा था ना IAS 16 में, a lot of things which were capitalized and the other were expensed off to P&L. उधर किधर था? In P&L which category that was?
Operating.
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 Here it will be what? Here it will be investing category. सबको clear है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Then revenue expenditure, what will you do?
Expense.
Expense to P&L.
Yes.
Capital expenditure क्या करेंगे?
Capitalize.
Capitalize, we will add to the cost of the asset. I hope this is clear to everyone. सबको clear है? Yes, sir. Now subsequent measurement. How will you do subsequent measurement? चलो ना, same. Subsequent measurement कैसे होगा? Under subsequent measurement, what did I mention? कौन से मॉडल है?
Cost and fair value.
Cost and fair value, or
कॉस्ट
can I
एंड
say
रिवैल्यूएशन।
and revaluation. Now under cost model, how do we record it better?
लाइक डेप्रिसिएशन जैसे
Can I
10,000 के एसिड टू 2,000
can I say cost less what?
Accumulated
डेप्रिसिएशन
depreciation.
डेप्रिसिएटेड
Accumulated depreciation. And then what will come?
Impairment.
Can I say less accumulated impairment?
Impairment.
Did we start with impairment?
Yeah.
No.
No.
But what did I mention in previous class? Impairment का meaning क्या है? Basic meaning of impairment.
IAS
Reduction in
26
value of asset.
I mention impairment का meaning क्या? I mention impairment means reduction in the value of the asset. Now why reduction is there, etc. We will come to that point. We will come to that point. Reduction क्या है क्या नहीं. Now in fair value क्या होगा sir? In fair value what will you say?
फेयर वैल्यू और कैरिंग अमाउंट whichever.
Now
सर कॉस्ट माइनस लेस एक्यूमुलेटेड डेप्रिसिएशन, उसके बाद जो कैरिंग अमाउंट और जो फेयर वैल्यू होगी उस पे जो रिवैल्यूएशन में
okay.
We'll compare carrying amount and fair value.
कंपेयर करेंगे उसके बाद फेयर वैल्यू.
Can I say we compare carrying amount and we compare what?
Fair value.
Fair value. Now if I say your carrying amount is 10,000, your fair value is 12,000. What is the gain here now?
2000.
2000
2,000. This 2,000 will go where?
OCI
OCI. We have learned normally
NR.
क्या OCI में जाएगा, but in IAS 40 what is the difference? This
PNL.
will go to
PNL.
PNL. So can I say fair value gain or loss will go where sir?
PNL.
PNL. The
सर पर ये
first,
बिजनेस नहीं है ना.
हाँ बट बिजनेस नहीं है, बट एम क्या है, अल्टीमेट एम क्या बेटे?
कैपिटल अप्रिसिएशन में.
कैपिटल अप्रिसिएशन. वो द एम विल बी व्हाट? टू अर्न as much as we can. So the intention will be.
सर इससे तो बहुत बढ़ जाएंगे आपका प्रॉफिट.
That is the reason in Indian accounts we do not allow fair
हाँ
value.
वही यस, इसी वजह से मेरे को थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हुआ था.
इसलिए
हाँ
अभी
सर.
नाउ विल कम टू द डिफरेंस. ये सबको क्लियर है? फेयर वैल्यू गेन विल बी रिकॉर्डेड इन पीएनएल. इधर गेन है कि लॉस है, सारा कुछ पीएनएल में है. अभी पीएनएल विच कैटेगरी?
इन्वेस्टिंग.
Investing.
अगर अपन इन्वेस्टिंग करें तो इन्वेस्टिंग कैटेगरी में जाएगा ना. Yes, sir. Now one thing, will there be impairment here? A basic
Yes.
question to everyone.
Yes. Yes, sir.
No.
आज क्यों नहीं होगा?
क्यों नहीं होगा? आप ही सोचो. इम्पेयरमेंट का मीनिंग क्या है?
रिडक्शन हो सर, रिडक्शन तो होगा ना.
वैल्यू का रिडक्शन होगा. इफ आई से एवरी ईयर यू आर कैलकुलेटिंग फेयर वैल्यू, वो फेयर वैल्यू में इम्पेयरमेंट आ जाएगा? नो.
No, sir.
यस.
अबे यार, फेयर वैल्यू का मीनिंग क्या, बता दो मुझे. व्हाट इज फेयर वैल्यू?
मार्केट की करंट वैल्यू जो है वो
मार्केट
प्रॉपर्टी.
वैल्यू, करंट
Market
वैल्यू
value क्या है सर?
ओके.
ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी.
आई से मेरे पास एक असेट है टुडे, लेट मी टेक द एग्जांपल. सी ऑलरेडी वी हैव कवर्ड एवरीथिंग, बस खाली रिवीजन IAS 16 IAS 40 का डिफरेंस. देन वी विल कम टू क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज़ क्वेश्चन कांट डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट बाय 3 पॉइंट्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट, देन ओनली वी कैन स्टार्ट विद क्वेश्चन. आई से मेरे पास प्रॉपर्टी IAS 40 में, आई एम सेइंग इट्स, आई से दैट आई एम फॉलोइंग फेयर वैल्यू. टुडे इफ आई एम फॉलोइंग फेयर वैल्यू, मार्केट में वैल्यू कितनी है? I
20,000.
say today I purchase at 10,000 बेटे. I say after 1 year the fair value is 12,000. Now say me gain कितना है?
2000
2,000. This gain where will I record?
P&L.
PNL में.
PNL. अभी ये करेक्ट है क्या मैंने जो किया है?
सर ये ओसीआई में जाएगा ना, जितने भी हमारे गेन्स वगैरह होते हैं.
अरे बेटे मैंने क्या बोला? IAS
IAS
40.
सर ने
40 का
बोला ना
PNL.
पहले IAS 40 में अलग है, IAS 16 में अलग है.
अच्छा,
वही तो डिस्कशन हुआ था पहले.
अंडरस्टूड नाउ? हाँ, सबको क्लियर डिफरेंस?
हाँ.
फर्स्ट डिफरेंस क्या है
हाँ,
सर?
yes, sir.
गेन और लॉस किधर जाएगा? सीधा पीएनएल में. नो ओसीआई, नो पिक्चर ऑफ ओसीआई हियर, डायरेक्टली एवरीथिंग टू पीएनएल. नाउ आई से द कंपनी परचेज्ड एट दिस अमाउंट. कभी परचेज किया कंपनी ने? 1 Jan 2001. अभी 31. ये मेरा कैलकुलेशन राइट है क्या?
नहीं नहीं
क्यों रोहित?
सर डेप्रिसिएशन लगेगा ना.
ओके, रोहित इज सेइंग डेप्रिसिएशन. अदर्स आप क्या सोचते हो, डेप्रिसिएशन लगेगा कि नहीं? आई एम ट्रैवलिंग फॉर
fair, no sir, fair value में depreciation नहीं है.
Okay. The next difference that we are coming is what? If we follow fair value, then no depreciation will, no depreciation. Understood? If we follow fair value, will depreciation come into picture? Depreciation
सर
No.
नहीं.
बिल्डिंग रहते हुए भी डेप्रिसिएशन नहीं लगाएंगे क्या?
हाँ हाँ नहीं.
एक-
Why
कितना
coming
कितना
coming?
गड़बड़ है.
अरे why coming to the logic? Understand? Today the company purchased at 10,000. Now you will say what sir? एक साल के बाद में fair value कर रहे अपन. After 1 year, if you're considering the fair value, can I say that fair value is as per market?
यस.
If it is as per market, depreciation का meaning क्या है? Wear and tear.
यस.
I am using the asset. Now if it is wear and tear and my value of the asset should be reduced, can I say automatically it will be taken care by the fair value in the market?
कैसे क्या?
Yes, this is the answer. The logic is what, sir? Why do not we charge impairment? Why do not we charge depreciation? Because fair value is considered. Fair value will automatically take into consideration this. Abhi question, sir. For the future years, we say that no depreciation. But sir, is year ke liye bhi yes. The standard is saying what? This year also. This comes for your MCQ. I have seen students. MCQ ke liye very important. And students will do mistake. The question will say what no? The question will say that today you have purchased a property, useful life 10 years diya hua. They will give you. And they will say at the end of the balance sheet date, the company is following revaluation model. And they will give you the fair value. Then the question will state what is the amount that will go to P&L. So आप क्या करोगे? You will take the depreciation also, you will take the fair value gain also. वो गलत है.
बराबर है सर. कितना
सर
गंदा कर दिया
डेप्रिसिएशन क्यों नहीं
ACCA
लेंगे सर?
स्टेटमेंट.
कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं आया समझ में.
नहीं आए. अगर fair value, if we are following fair value, depreciation नहीं होगा.
ये सर सिर्फ IS 40 के केस में है ना?
हाँ, IAS 40 के केस.
आईएस आईएस 16 में तो सर अलग था ना
हाँ
कि
अलग था
मतलब.
बेटे. वही डिफरेंस है. वही डिफरेंस मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. IAS 40 वही है पूरा सेम कॉपी पे. बट डिफरेंस यही है. द डिफरेंस इज व्हाट? दिस
अच्छा
इज योर डिफरेंस. सबको क्लियर है?
अच्छा जी सर. ओके सर. ग्रेट.
ओके ओके. सी नाउ अंडरस्टैंड द लॉजिक. अभी एग्जांपल से क्लियर हो जाएगा. टुडे द कंपनी परचेज अ बिल्डिंग. दिस इज IAS 40. दे मेंशन दैट द यूजफुल लाइफ कितना है इसका? 10 years. द कंपनी इनिशियली विल रिकॉर्ड एट व्हाट? डेबिट, इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी, क्रेडिट कैश. सबको यस और नो एवरीवन?
यस सर.
10,000 10,000.
यस सर.
नाउ द कंपनी सेइंग दैट वी विल फॉलो कॉस्ट मॉडल. कंपनी क्या बोल रही है? नाउ कंपनी विल फॉलो कॉस्ट मॉडल एट व्हाट डेट? टुडे और एट द ईयर एंड?
Year.
एट द ईयर एंड.
ईयर एंड ना. नाउ
अच्छा
यू
जी.
से दी डेप्रिसिएशन होगा क्या इसको? कैन आई से
हाँ
फर्स्ट
होगा.
ईयर डेप्रिसिएशन
Yes,
होगा?
sir.
हाउ मच विल
यस.
बी द डेप्रिसिएशन फर्स्ट ईयर? कैन आई से 1,000 होगा?
1,000.
यस.
Yes.
कैरिंग अमाउंट कितना होगा अभी?
9,000.
9,000.
9,000. नो इश्यू सर. अभी नेक्स्ट ईयर, दिस इज फर्स्ट ईयर डन. अभी सेकेंड ईयर. Second year, the company is saying what? We will follow what? At the year end, we will follow revaluation model.
Revaluation.
Now, will you charge any depreciation for second year? No
No.
No.
depreciation. There will be no depreciation for second year. But क्या करेंगे? We will record this at fair value. अभी fair value कितना आई से? 12,000. अभी P&L में कितना जाएगा?
3,000.
3,000.
3,000. P&L 3,000. Do not do the mistake saying sir P&L में खाली. In P&L, you will say what? Sir, 3,000 will go, 1,000 depreciation will go for the second year. ये क्या है? गलत है. Avoid this. MCQ आता है इसमें से. Now,
फर्स्ट ईयर से ही रिवैल्यूएशन मॉडल फॉलो किया तो.
अरे वही ले लेता हूँ रोहित. चलो वही भी एग्जांपल ले लेता हूँ. नहीं ना? Yes or no everyone? Let me take that example also so that you can understand. एग्जाम्पल कॉस्ट कितना है सर 10,000. Then I say debit credit. What will the company record? Asset, that is your IP. Credit cash sir 10,000 10,000. Now the company is saying what? It's your first year. The company is saying we will follow what? Revaluation model for the first year. Normally what will you do? Sir हम depreciation charge करेंगे. No depreciation here. Understand, for first year also no depreciation for first year also.
ओके सर.
Okay, I say the fair value today is 12,000. So अभी PNL में कितना जाएगा? If a question comes in your exam, what? 2,000 will be recorded in which category?
इन्वेस्टिंग.
Investment.
Understood everyone the cases? I've seen a lot of students doing this mistake, so please avoid in your exam. So सबको clear है revaluation and cost model में difference?
यस सर.
अगर सर सेकेंड ईयर कॉस्ट मॉडल कर रहे हैं तो जो
सेकेंड ईयर
डेप्रिसिएशन
कॉस्ट में
लेंगे वो
सेकेंड डेप्रिसिएशन होगा बेटे. अगर कंपनी से सेकेंड ईयर भी फॉलो कॉस्ट डेप्रिसिएशन होगा.
सर 12,000 पे करेंगे या 10,000 पे फिर
10,000 पर
अगर
करेंगे.
सेकेंड ईयर कॉस्ट मॉडल
नहीं नहीं 9,000 पर करेंगे बेटे. जो भी पेंडिंग है 12,000 तो पिक्चर में ही नहीं आएगा ना. हम फेयर वैल्यू फॉलो ही नहीं करें तो किधर से फेयर वैल्यू मिलेगा हमको.
ओके ओके
कॉस्ट मॉडल का मीनिंग क्या है? जो कॉस्ट रहेगा उसको ही कंटिन्यू करेंगे. सो नेक्स्ट ईयर 8,000 हो जाएगा. इट कीप्स ऑन
ओके
कंटिन्यू. सो
सर
दैट
बेनिफिशियल कौन सा रहता है?
क्या बेटे?
नॉर्मली बेनिफिशियल कौन सा रहता है आपके
बेनिफिशियल
पॉइंट ऑफ
कौन सा
व्यू
रहता है? तू ही सोच ना कौन सा रहता है बेनिफिशियल. फेयर वैल्यू तो बेनिफिशियल होता है ना.
यस
से? यस सर.
बट वो इंडिया में अलाउड नहीं है.
नहीं ना, वही तो दिक्कत है
हाँ, दैट इज द रीजन.
सर.
अभी
पर आपका
इंडिया.
इसमें फेयर वैल्यू में
हाँ,
इनकम बढ़ रही है ना, तो टैक्स ज्यादा पे करना पड़ेगा इधर.
अरे टैक्स का रूल्स अलग है ना.
मतलब
टैक्स में
वैसा
कब
नहीं.
टैक्स पे करते हैं? व्हेन यू सेल दी प्रॉपर्टी. हमने बेचा ही नहीं है ना इधर.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, वैसा तो नहीं. सही है सर. ठीक है.
टैक्स रूल्स अलग ही अलग है. विल कम टू IAS 12 देन आई विल डिस्कस दैट. सो विद
ओके
दिस
सर.
सबको थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया आ गया. सो प्लीज सी नाउ इन माय नोट्स. सर recognition did we do? Future economic benefit cost can be initial sir. Cost subsequent. सर कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर यस. रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर वी इग्नोर. सर अभी कौन से कैटेगरी में जाएगा? आई हैव रिटन अ रेफर नोट नंबर 3. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो कॉस्ट मॉडल में क्या होगा सर? कॉस्ट लेस अक्यूमुलेटेड इम्पेयरमेंट हमने कर लिए. रीवैल्यूएशन में सर असेट इज रीवैल्यूड टू fair value at the year end. Gain or loss is shown in P&L, not in OCI. So will you charge depreciation? No depreciation. अभी मैंने इधर से लिखा है अलग से. Depreciation is recorded under which category? Investing. If the company chooses the fair value model at the end of the financial year, no depreciation is charged for investment property during that year. समझ में आया ये लाइन?
यस सर.
Very important for MCQ. I have seen a lot of time this being tested in the exam frequently. So this is also clear to everyone. Abhi chalo, can we do some questions now? So please see the questions which I have given. Measurement kin. Please write down the flow chart which I am making and please solve the question in your books. Do not be in that sir ki हम कर लेंगे कर लेंगे कर लेंगे कि सर आप notes दे दोगे ना. I mentioned you will be getting the notes, but what is your duty? To scribble and write so that you remember. I mentioned in the first class वो आपका issue नहीं है. Class से 1 till 10th you have been doing that writing and practice. If you do that, you can easily score more than 80 here. So have that. Now please read the question, everyone. Please read the question carefully. मालूम पड़ जाएगा कैसे आप क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हो एग्जाम में. In this question I will get to know how good you read the question and understand.
सर पहला वाला IAS 40 होगा,
Okay,
उसमें फेयर
Rohit.
वैल्यू गेन 25,000 का है।
Okay, Rohit is saying this is IS 40. So let us read. Others, IS 40 है क्या?
सर वो फ्री होल्ड का कुछ इम्पैक्ट आएगा क्या उसमें?
फ्री होल्ड का मीनिंग क्या है?
विदाउट एनी लीगल।
Oh, can I say freehold means whatever they want they can do? इसका मीनिंग क्या? Have they determined the use? नहीं. So then it will
एक्चुअली
यूज
be
तो नहीं, पर रेंट पे दिया है,
rent
तो
पर.
यूज तो
It is a freehold and they have given on rent. That means what?
IAS
फ्री होल्ड
40।
इज बेसिकली रेसिडेंशियल ना?
हाँ, you can think in that way also. Here basically freehold का meaning क्या है? Whatever they want they can do, but as of now they have given this on rent. So इसका meaning क्या apply होगा इधर?
IAS
Yes,
16 सर,
yes.
because P P कंपनी ने तो
I mentioned what here? Tea house is a property. ये फ्री होल्ड प्रॉपर्टी है. फ्री होल्ड प्रॉपर्टी का मीनिंग
बिजनेस पे
क्या है?
देने का भी ये नहीं उनका, रेंट पे देना बिजनेस भी नहीं उनका।
Freehold means whatever they want they can do and it is not their business. So then what will apply on this?
IAS 40
IS
सर।
40 will apply
40
on this.
sir.
IAS 40।
Then next one.
16 होगा, इधर एम्प्लॉय को दिया है।
IAS 16
डिप्रिसिएशन
होगा सर।
सेकंड
Can I
वाले में डिप्रिसिएशन मिलेगा।
can I say it's a headquarter? Headquarter मैंने क्या mention किया था?
IAS
IAS
IS.
16
So now let us calculate for tea house. Tea house का value कितना है? So what is the which cost is how much?
150
150. On 1st October 2000 X4, they mention what? On 1st October 2000 X9, P has the following properties. It uses the fair value model to measure the property. Now, when we have purchased this 2000 X4 and the company's normal business practice is what to follow? Investment property. अगर investment property हो रहा, will there be any depreciation here now?
नो सर।
No
no sir
depreciation. So this is on what date, sir? ये कब का है? 2000 X4. That is
हाँ,
1st October. Now what is the date we are standing? 1st
फर्स्ट
October
अक्टूबर
2000 X9.
2009।
So how much is the value in the market?
1,75,000।
175. So what is the excess?
P&L
25,000 is the gain. Where will it go?
P&L
PNL.
PNL.
Which category?
इन्वेस्टिंग
Investing.
कैटेगरी।
Investing category।
investing category
Then coming to S Palace और Stone Palace जो भी है. अभी बोलो इसका क्या होगा?
ये सर इसमें डेप्रिसिएशन मिलेगा।
Depreciation. So how much is the cost they have mentioned? 75.
75,000।
Have they mentioned any useful life?
नो,
Have they
ऊपर ही होगा
mentioned?
सर, तो रेट
But
दिया है तो WDV मेथड ही होगा।
they have mentioned 2% per annum on cost. अभी इसका मीनिंग क्या है? Is this WTV or SLM?
WDV सर।
WD
WTV. Okay. Others?
Cost पे SLM।
This is SLM method. मैंने बोला था IAS 16 में अगर हमेशा if they give percentage you should not say that it is what WDV. इधर क्या लिखा हुआ है?
अच्छा, कॉस्ट पे लिखा हुआ है।
On cost per annum every year it will be on cost only. So इसका मीनिंग क्या? Can I say इसका useful life 50 years है?
नो,
That is the
नहीं
reason
नहीं,
every year we are getting 2% on the cost. This is the mistake you will do in your exam. इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं.
ओके सर।
Understood the mistake which you have done today in this class?
यस
So
सर।
now depreciate 2% on cost and per annum. So now say me how much is the depreciation here now? Can I say depreciation कितना है? 7,500 into 10%, 2%. तो 2% कितना है?
1,500।
1,500।
1,500. Now for how many years we have to charge? इधर देखो. Oh, the building was acquired on what date?
10 years sir.
Okay, some is saying 10 years. It was acquired on what
नहीं, कहा 10 ईयर्स। अभी तो अप्लाई किया, अभी तो परचेस किया हुआ है,
date?
ऐसे 10 ईयर।
रोहित क्वेश्चन बराबर से पढ़, तू रॉन्ग है बेटे.
अरे सर, कहाँ से पहले वाला अलग है, दूसरे वाला अलग है ना।
हाँ हालांकि वही तो बोल रहा हूँ ना. ये कब परचेज किया है? उन्होंने क्या लिखा है? द बिल्डिंग
फर्स्ट
वाज
अक्टूबर
अक्वायर्ड
टू
ऑन
थाउजेंड नाइन
1st October 2000 W9. इधर क्या लिखा हुआ है? वी आर स्टैंडिंग ऑन व्हाट डेट?
फर्स्ट अक्टूबर 2000।
2009 है क्या? वो X9 है, W9 है? डिफरेंस है कि नहीं दोनों में? WX में फर्क है कि नहीं?
हाँ है ना।
हाँ, दिस इज द सेकंड मिस्टेक विच यू विल डू इन योर एग्जाम. Okay, then you only say, can I say कब परचेज किया सर? 2000 W9, but today's 2000 X9. W पहले आता कि X पहले आता है? हाँ,
सर
W
डब्ल्यू
डब्ल्यू
पहले आता
डब्ल्यू
है।
W आता ना. सो कैन आई से दिस इज 2019, इसको 2029 कर दो. अभी समझ में आए कितने years हो गया परचेज
सर
करके?
10 years.
ये ऐसे देते क्या एग्जाम में?
अरे ऐसे ही तो देते हैं.
ये नहीं पता था मेरे को इतना।
तो एमसीक्यू किया ना जब तूने, क्या देखा? वी आर डूइंग फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस क्लास डेप्रिसिएशन. हम एवरीवेयर
नहीं नहीं, ये 2W और X ऐसा देके मेरे को नहीं पता था ऐसा भी आता है क्वेश्चन।
अरे क्वेश्चन में था, तूने नहीं देखा बेटे? यू हैव नॉट देखा नहीं आपने
सर
क्लियरली?
ये पता ही नहीं अभी, इसमें किया था तब नहीं किया था।
हाँ
अभी
सर,
मालूम
मैंने
पड़
भी
गया
अभी
ना?
सुना।
अभी देखा मैंने भी।
अभी मालूम पड़ गया क्या?
हाँ हाँ।
हाँ
वो
बस.
अल्फाबेटिकली लेते हैं क्या ईयर्स?
हाँ, वो एसबीआर में इतना जरूरत नहीं, पर एफआर में है निर्भय.
ओके।
इतना टेंशन नहीं. सो नाउ चलो, हाउ मेनी इयर्स डेप्रिसिएशन? तो 1500 इंटू 10. सो कितने, व्हाट इज द डेप्रिसिएशन? कैन आई से 15,000? सो माय कॉस्ट माइनस accumulated depreciation will give me
Carrying
carrying
amount
amount. So 75,000 minus 15,000.
60,000.
60,000.
60,000 is the value. Abhi they are following which model bete? They are following cost only, yes or no? Can I
Yes.
say ये तो, which one this is? This one is what? This is IAS 16. But उन्होंने क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है? In question they are saying only fair value has been followed for which one?
Investment
इन्वेस्टमेंट
property.
प्रॉपर्टी।
Investment
इन्वेस्टमेंट
property.
प्रॉपर्टी के लिए
But
सर।
for PP have they mentioned anything here? कुछ भी
No,
नहीं.
sir.
अगर कुछ भी मेंशन
No,
नहीं तो
sir.
क्या फॉलो करेंगे? कॉस्ट.
Cost
Yes,
model.
sir.
So can I say in the books the value of this will be how much?
60,000.
16.
60,000.
That is the reason we are charging full 10 years depreciation. अभी इधर कितना होगा बुक्स में
ओके
वैल्यू?
75,000। अच्छा सर
175.
मतलब टी जो है वो इन्वेस्टिंग प्रॉपर्टी है, और जो एस है वो कॉस्ट मॉडल फॉलो कर रही है बिकॉज
हाँ
ऑफ
बट,
डेप्रिशिएशन।
हाँ बट वो IAS 16 में बेटे, IAS 16 में भी कौन सा मॉडल है ये? कॉस्ट मॉडल है IAS 16 में. अंडरस्टैंड दैट. दिस इज योर
अगर सर
IAS.
डेप्रिशिएशन नहीं दिया हुआ था तो,
बट डेप्रिसिएशन देंगे ना, उन्होंने क्या बोला है?
अगर डेप्रिशिएशन नहीं दिया होता इस क्वेश्चन में तो वैल्यूएशन मॉडल फॉलो।
हाँ, yes, then you can, but it will be mentioned in the question, no worries. And they have given the fair value also to confuse you, yes or no? They have given the fair value also to
मैं
confuse
सोच
you.
रही थी
But मैंने क्या बोला इधर
कंफ्यूज।
खाली क्या mention? It
हाँ
uses
मैं
fair value but only on investment property, not on others.
हाँ 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 ओके। हाँ इतनी देर से मैं यही सोच रही थी।
Okay, clear now?
यस सर।
Yes, चलो then the
सर ये
first.
लेटर्स का झमेला बहुत करते क्या?
क्या?
वो लेटर्स का झमेला बहुत करते क्या वो?
अरे नहीं, अभी तेरे को मालूम पड़ गया है ना वो, अभी तू ध्यान रखेगा, टेंशन मत ले.
नहीं नहीं, वैसा नहीं, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ एग्जाम में भी ऐसा झमेला करते क्या?
हाँ हाँ करते रहे, जब भी तो ट्रिकी होता रहे पेपर. अभी बोलते ना टफ क्यों रहता है? टफ नहीं, आप लिख के आते सर वी हैव डन ऑल आवर एमसीक्यूज राइट सर, बट आपने क्वेश्चन बराबर से नहीं पढ़ा है ना.
वही तो सर।
अरे एसीसी में वही है रे, एमसीक्यू में स्पेशली. नाउ प्लीज डू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ, अगर आप लाइव, इफ यू अटेंड लाइव क्लासेस नो, अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विल बी डन इन क्लास ओनली. अभी रिकॉर्डिंग बैठने में देखने के लिए बहुत टाइम चाहिए, पेशेंस चाहिए रिकॉर्डिंग देखने के लिए. यस सर नो?
यस सर।
यस सर।
इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ इफ यू अटेंड लाइव क्लासेस और जस्ट यू डू रिवीजन और क्वेश्चंस, पक्का 85. अभी वो क्या है 85 कैसे आएगा? क्वेश्चन रीडिंग बराबर से करना, धीरे से करना, यू शुड नॉट हरी एक्सेट्रा, वही है बस. चलो प्लीज डू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. अरे यार आता लिया क्या ये एज पर IFRS 18 है बेटे। अरे 1 मिनट मैंने क्वेश्चन तो डाला ही नहीं है क्वेश्चन। So please see this question, everyone.
आंसर नॉट ओनर ऑक्युपाइड मीन्स उसने रेंट पे ली है प्रॉपर्टी।
It's not owner occupied. If it is not owner occupied, क्या अप्लाई होगा? IAS 16 होगा कि IAS 40 होगा?
IAS 40।
आईएएस
और ऊपर भी
40
दिया है इन्वेस्टमेंट पोटेंशियल है।
इन्वेस्ट इन।
Yes. चलो then. So C Limited, a manufacturing entity, acquired a property on 1st Jan 2000 X1 for $1 million for its investment potential. The property is not owner occupied. So इसका meaning क्या है? It's IAS 40 sir. Of the purchase price, the land value is estimated at what? $400,000 non depreciable. आपको बोला हुआ है कि depreciate नहीं होगा. And land building value is estimated at $600,000 with a useful life of how much? 50
3
years.
years।
So
50
out of this $1,400,000 belongs to land and building is 600,000. By 31st December 2000 X1, local market indices indicate the fair value of the entire property to be how much? 1.1 million.
110
C accounts for investment property under IAS 40 and presents its financial statement in accordance with IFRS 18. They prepare as per IFRS 18. So इसका meaning क्या? IFRS 18 it will go to gain or loss, depreciation will go to investing category, not operating category. Then sir, show how the investment property would be presented in financial statement as at 31st December 2000 X1 under the following model. If cost model is followed and if fair value is model. Can I say सबसे easy question है ये तो?
हाँ इजी है।
Okay. Then if I say
सर
for
IFRS 18 का क्या बोला आपने?
IFRS 18 क्या बेटे? मैंने बोला ना IFRS 18 खाली P&L का फॉर्मेट चेंज है.
हाँ नहीं नहीं वैसा नहीं सर। अच्छा वो ऑपरेटिंग फाइनेंसिंग और
हाँ
इन्वेस्टिंग।
वही है एज ऑफ नाउ मैंने वही सीखा है, उतना ही सीखना बस.
यस यस ठीक है सर।
और बेसिक पॉइंट मैंने कवर किया था, क्यों बनाते हैं, फॉर हाउ मेनी इयर्स एक्सेट्रा. आई मेंशन दीज ऑल पॉइंट्स. वी
यस
विल कवर दैट. सो कॉस्ट मॉडल, यू ओनली से कॉस्ट मॉडल में डेप्रिसिएशन होगा क्या?
Yes, sir.
तो अभी टोटल कॉस्ट कितना है बिल्डिंग का? 1 million,
600,000। हाँ
but
टोटल कॉस्ट
400,000 and
लैंड
600,000. Now can I say depreciation will be for how many years here? Please see the question and say me.
1 ईयर।
Sir,
1 year. So divided by what will I say here?
50।
50. अभी कितना होगा ये डेप्रिसिएशन, कितना होगा ये बता दो मुझे, बता दो.
12,000।
12,000. ओके सर, इसको डेप्रिसिएशन होगा क्या?
नहीं नहीं लैंड है।
सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू नाउ? कैरिंग अमाउंट कितना होगा? कैन आई से कैरिंग अमाउंट इज व्हाट? कॉस्ट माइनस accumulated depreciation. What is my cost? $100,000, 1 million,
यस सर।
minus depreciation is 12,000. अभी कितना है ये? 98.
988.
अभी कैसे बताएंगे? अभी P&L में क्या बताएंगे, बैलेंस शीट में क्या बताएंगे?
P&L में तो एक्सपेंस दिखाएंगे और बैलेंस शीट में नेट अमाउंट दिखाएंगे
P&L, can I say
accumulated।
depreciation under investing category?
Yes।
12,000. And here under your balance sheet we say non-current asset investment property of how much? 988,000. This was the
सर
cost.
वो ग्रॉस वैल्यू माइनस एक्यूमुलेटेड नहीं करेंगे क्या
अरे वो तो,
प्रेजेंटेशन?
अरे वही प्रेजेंटेशन कोई नहीं, यू कैन डू डायरेक्टली. ACCA विल नॉट रिड्यूस योर मार्क्स, उन्होंने बोला है. मैंने
अच्छा
बोला
तो
वो
ठीक है।
फालतू का दिया हुआ है. लॉजिक क्या है? यही है कि अल्टीमेट वैल्यू इतना बताएंगे अपन.
ओके सर।
अभी नाउ से मी व्हाट विल वी डू इन रीवैल्यूएशन मॉडल. रीवैल्यूएशन में क्या करेंगे अपन?
सर बिल्डिंग डेप्रिसिएट नहीं होगी?
Directly.
विल बिल्डिंग डेप्रिशिएट ईयर?
नो सर।
No, sir.
नो सर, आईएस
नो
40
सर
के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं होगी।
बिकॉज इवन दो यू विल से सर ईयर एंड पर हो रहा, बट कैन आई से अल्टीमेटली इम्पैक्ट हो जाएगा उधर।
यस सर।
400,000, 600,000, will there be depreciation? नो डेप्रिसिएशन। सो अभी कितना होगा पीएनएल में, क्या जाएगा, बट कैन आई से दे आर फॉलोइंग फेयर वैल्यू। अभी फेयर वैल्यू कितनी है प्रॉपर्टी की? 1.1 million. So what is
यस
the
सर।
gain here now? $100,000 is your gain. तो पीएनएल में इन्वेस्टिंग कैटेगरी वी रिकॉर्ड अ गेन ऑफ 100। बैलेंस शीट वी प्रेजेंट नॉन करंट असेट अपन इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी को $1.1 million भी रिकॉर्डेड। सबको क्लियर है ये क्वेश्चन भी?
यस सर।
Then a last question, after this we will take a break.
सर आपके नाम पे कितनी बीघा जमीन है?
क्या?
आपके नाम पे कितनी बीघा जमीन है?
मेरे नाम पर है?
हाँ।
कुछ भी नहीं है रे।
सर कुछ भी मत बोलो, आप भी चिन्मय सर जैसे हो।
क्या?
सुपर रिच आदमी हो।
अरे नहीं नहीं रे, किसने बोला सुपर रिच आदमी रहता तो मैं ये क्या करता बैठ के इधर?
नहीं नहीं, वो तो ये तो आपका हॉबी है सर।
अरे नहीं रे, मैं पूरा दिन टीचिंग करवाता हूँ, ऐसे कोई मैं सुपर रिच नहीं हूँ। आई कम फ्रॉम अ मिडिल क्लास ओनली, अंडरस्टैंड दैट।
नहीं सर, मजाक कर रहा था मुझे।
अरे मालूम है रोहित। अभी ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा टेढ़ा है, देखेंगे कितने लोग कितना समझेंगे क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन, यू आर द क्वेश्चन, प्लीज स्टार्ट रीडिंग। थोड़ा टेढ़ा क्वेश्चन है, बट आई वांटेड टू डू दिस। Your cost model and revaluation model, can I say this is a choice which the company has here?
यस सर।
Yes or no? Can I say this is what accounting policy मैंने explain किया था, जैसे LIFO, FIFO है, here also it's accounting policy. And I mentioned in the first class, accounting policy के लिए prospective treatment होगा कि retrospective होगा?
प्रोस्पेक्टिव।
प्रोस्पेक्ट।
accounting policy के लिए।
पर्सपेक्टिव।
नहीं नहीं, पॉलिसी के लिए।
हाँ
नहीं नहीं, एस्टिमेट के लिए प्रोस्पेक्टिव ट्रीटमेंट हो।
और estimate, what did I mention everyone?
प्रोस्पेक्टिव
Pros
ट्रीटमेंट।
Prospective treatment. So if it is an accounting estimate, what will I do? अगर accounting estimate है तो prospective treatment.
अकाउंटिंग पॉलिसी रहेंगे तो कंसिस्टेंसी चाहिए सब सालों में।
So if it is a accounting policy, then we do what?
रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव।
Retrospective. Now in the last classes I have explained the basic about this. Retrospective का meaning क्या है? What does the term retro means? Going back,
बैक डेटेड।
going back and doing the adjustment each and everything. But accounting estimate के लिए क्या करेंगे अपन? Prospective, from today only we will consider the change. So please see this question now.
पहले IAS 16 लगाते थे, अभी IAS 40 लगाएंगे।
Okay. See here, now a company owns 4 investment property, but can I say this is investment property? Before the implementation of
I
IAS 40, the company followed this accounting policy. Investment properties are measured on a portfolio basis at fair value at the year end, with any net gain recognized in investment property revaluation surplus. Only net loss from revaluation are transferred to the statement of profit and loss. Can I say ये गलत है कि नहीं है?
यस सर,
मैंने
गलत
बोला
है।
इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी है, बट स्टिल दे आर रिकॉर्डिंग इन रीवैल्यूएशन सरप्लस। गलत है
yes
ना? So that
यस
is the
सर।
reason, if you see now, the
yes
question is explain how the application of IAS 40 using the would change the company's financial statement. Now you only say at the beginning of the financial year carrying amount कितना है?
100
100
million.
million.
100 is for what? Can I say carrying amount is 100 for each 4 properties?
Yes.
So
Yes.
total it will be how much? 4 into 100. So ये कितना होगा?
400 million.
400.
400 million.
But how much is the fair value? At the end, the fair value is how much they mentioned? 140, 130, 95, 90. ये total कितना है?
455.
455. So can I say how much is my gain here now?
55.
55. This 55 gain where we will record? OCI की PNL में जाएगा अभी ये.
P&L.
PNL.
PNL. Understand that. It will
PNL
go
में
to
जाएगा.
PNL. Even though they have mentioned here to confuse you, just have taken for understanding purpose so that you again avoid mistake for this last question. So with this concept questions, measurement questions are done. Now only transfer is pending, and then your MCQs. So let us take a break, a needed break for you now. उसके बाद में आके we will see some theory points which are very important. So it's 8:03 everyone. Be back by 8:20 everyone.
सर ये खत्म हो जाएगा ना?
आज हो जाएगा खत्म बेटे.
ठीक है.
Chalo, come back everyone. Yes or no? Or thumbs up?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, everyone. Okay. So with this, the measurement part is done. This everything is done. Now, as I mentioned, the last case, that is your transfer one, is pending. So before that, let us see the notes which I have written here. Already we have covered this, but just for understanding purpose, let us see now. Notes. Entity should use either cost or revaluation model. Yes or no? Now, जब हमने IAS 16 देखा था, we have seen IAS 16. Yes or no? In IAS 16, we have seen revaluation model. In revaluation model, we applied the class of asset concept. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, everyone remember the class of asset concept there? But will that class of asset concept apply here? No. If you have investment property, if you have 10 or 50 investment property, for everything, either you have to apply cost model or you have to apply revaluation model. Sabko clear hai? There is
Yes,
no
sir.
concept of class of asset. That means if you have 10 investment property, for every 10, you have to either apply revaluation or cost model. Simple. Now coming to the next point here. So now, first talking as per IAS 16. If a machine is there or a building is there, we follow cost model. Can I say then we can shift to revaluation model? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then if I'm in revaluation model, can I again shift to cost model? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
But if I do this frequently, will there be better presentation? Will there be consistency if I do this frequently?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
अगर मैं
No,
ये
sir.
करूंगा तो consistency नहीं रहेगा. It will be difficult. Then this is as per IAS 16. So as per IAS 40, cost is that. Can I shift to revaluation model?
Yes.
Yes. Then can I again shift to cost model?
Yes.
Yes, we can do. But you only say, why do we show at fair value? Can I say if I show at revaluation model, can I say it will reflect the market value?
Yes.
Now, if you're having any investment property with you, what is the true presentation of that? Can I say the true presentation of that is what? To show at fair value, market value. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But if I say I am following revaluation model, again I come to cost model, will this give true presentation to the investors?
No, sir.
No, no.
No,
So
sir.
that is the reason in IAS 40 we say what? IAS 40 says what? If you shift from revaluation model to cost model, it will not provide fair presentation. It will not provide fair presentation. So that is the reason, see here now what they mentioned, changing model. Entity should not change from one model to another model unless the change results in a more appropriate presentation. In IFRS 18 also we have seen that this is only written, yes or no everyone. Ye likha tha. But see, IAS 40 states that it is highly unlikely that a change from fair value method to cost model will result in a more appropriate presentation. So IAS 40 is saying what? 99.99 percentage if you follow fair value, that only will provide what? Fair
Fair
presentation.
presentation.
But if you change from revaluation model to cost model or from fair value to cost model, it is highly unlikely that it will provide better presentation. But if you say still that, if you say that if the management is saying that if I shift from revaluation to cost model and it is providing better presentation, you can follow, no issues. But what did I mention? 99.99 percentage, it will not be allowed because fair presentation कब होता है? Fair presentation will be done when we follow fair the revaluation model, important for your MCQ. क्लियर है सबको? Then coming to the next one, your IFRS 18. IFRS 18 says what? Everyone, am I audible? No network. Yes, okay then. IFRS 18 says what? We have to classify the income and expenses in what? Operating, investing, financing, income tax, or discontinued operations. Yes or no? These were the 5 categories which we have seen. Then investment property that is unrelated to its trading activities. Investment property generates a return individually and largely independently of other resources. Therefore, holding investment property is what? An investing activity. So that is the reason everything we take where? Everything we take to P&L. Under which category? Investing category.
Investing.
So see here, income generated by investment property, where it will go? Rental income. Like where that rental income will go, sir? Rental income किधर जाएगा? Rental income will go to your P&L, investing category. Income or expense arising on initial and subsequent measurement. Yes or no? Initial measurement, can I say? We have learned that if the expenses are not directly attributable in the cost definition, वो किधर जाएगा expense? It will go to investing category. Same way, fair value difference, your depreciation, everything will go what? Gain or loss on the disposal of a property, everything will go to investing category only. Then incremental expenses directly attributable to the purchase of the sale of investment property, to the extent that purchase expenses are not recognized in the cost. Whatever is not recognized in the cost, सारा कुछ P&L, which category? Investing category. But see one thing, other income and expenses like running cost, maintenance cost, ये सारा किधर जाना चाहिए?
Operating category.
Operating category. But if I say that is relating to investing, where it should go?
सर ऑपरेटिंग में जाएगा ना, बिकॉज रनिंग कॉस्ट और मेंटेनिंग कॉस्ट मतलब हम ऑपरेटिंग की तो करते डे, मतलब वो हमारा मेन बिजनेस के लिए करते हैं ना.
मेन बिजनेस, ये मेन बिजनेस है क्या हमारा?
नो नो
I am
नो सर,
saying
मेन में
in main business you take to operating, but in IS 40 what you will do? आपके पास एक investment property है, you are incurring some expenditure on that.
रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर है तो ऑपरेटिंग कैटेगरी में ही जाएगा.
अरे वो हमने किधर सीखा था? रेवेन्यू ऑपरेटिंग इन IAS 16. लॉजिक क्या बोलता है? As per logic of investment property, can I say that should go in investing category?
Yes.
Yes or no?
sir.
If you're recording
Yes, sir.
rental income, some expenses, fair value difference, depreciation, all we are recording where? We are recording to investing category. Now, if you have a
Yes, sir.
building and for that building some maintenance cost is there, some repair work is there, वो भी investing में जाना चाहिए ना?
Yeah.
But your logically it should go, but where will you record as per your IS 40, as per your FR syllabus? किधर record करेंगे? We will record this in operating category. अभी do not argue with me a lot. Logic के हिसाब से किधर जाएगा? Investing में जाना चाहिए.
Yes, yes,
But
yes.
what should you follow for your FR?
ऑपरेटिंग कैटेगरी.
Operating category.
ऑपरेटिंग.
सर पहली मिस्टेक क्या?
हाँ,
पहली मिस्टेक बाय ACCA.
ACCA नहीं, अभी उन्होंने लॉजिक क्या दिया हुआ है? They have given a very good logic. अपन उसमें नहीं जाएंगे अभी. Why they mention in operating category? Because they mention that normally when we see that whatever expenses you incur, no, that will be the expenses from the business point of view. You will, if you're able to identify investing category, but follow this for your FR syllabus. Normally क्या होना चाहिए? Investing, but FR के लिए क्या follow करेंगे अपन?
ऑपरेटिंग.
Operating, simple. Now exam advice. In FR where a company holds an investment property, this will be supplementary to its other trading activity. In your FR exam, every time if they give investment property, वो क्या होगा? IS 40 ही होगा. It's not that you have to decide there in the exam. हमेशा क्या होगा वो? Investment property IS 40. So with this, these some important points are done. सबको clear है ये?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now coming to the next point, which is very important for MCQ also. Now please understand this. Transfer
सर वो एग्जाम एडवाइस क्या दिया था एक बार फिर से समझाएंगे?
वो एग्जाम एडवाइस क्या बेटे कि इफ इन योर एग्जाम इफ इट इज मेंशन इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी, वो हमेशा IAS 40 ही होगा. सिंपल.
ओके सर, ओके, ठीक है।
मेंशन किया ACCA ने. This I am not saying. So now today I have a building. This building I'm using for my office purpose. क्या अप्लाई होगा इस पर?
IAS 16.
16. Now I say that I have purchased a new building and I'm planning to use this for my office purpose. What I'm saying? We are shifting in this. Shift to the new building for office. Now this building will be there with you. Yes or no? ये building रहेगा हमारे पास.
Yes.
For this one, what you'll apply then? IAS 16.
Yes.
Now I say this building you're shifting. Now once you shift, can I say this place will be vacant?
Yes.
Now what will a business normally do? Can I say they will try to give this or not? Rent?
Yes.
Once they give this on rent, क्या apply होगा?
40.
IAS 40.
IAS 40.
So can I say what is happening here? Can I say जो पहले property business के लिए था, can I say I'm using this for my investment purpose now? There is a
Yes.
shift or not, or a change. Can I say this can be IAS 16 to IAS 40 or IAS 40 से IAS 16? उल्टा भी हो सकता है.
Yes.
Yes,
Both the
sir.
way it can be. Now, what is the question that frequently comes in the exam and what should you concentrate? So please listen. So the first example which I'll be taking here is what? I will be taking from IAS 16 to IAS 40. So example 1. I will be taking 8 examples, so understand everything. I say IAS 16, we are taking this to IAS 40. IAS 40 is following what, sir? Cost model. IAS 16 following cost model. Today I say the cost of the asset is 10,000. Useful life is 10 years. So I say carrying amount कितना होगा? If I charge first year depreciation 9,000. Now this 9,000 is at what date? Now assume every time it will be 31st 12 only. The example which I'll be taking 8 examples. Now I say that on 31st 12 we are transferring this to IAS 40. When I'm transferring this to IAS 40, what is the entry I will record? Journal entry. Debit, credit. Debit investment property coming in, credit PP going out.
Yes, sir.
PP will always go out at what amount, sir? 9,000.
Yes.
Now, what will be the value for IAS 40? For IAS 40, the value will become what? Same 9,000. Yes or no? This
Yes, sir.
9,000 will
Yes,
give.
sir.
So 9,000. Then next one. Second example. IAS 16 to IAS 40. I say revaluation model. I say revaluation model. Today I say cost is 10,000. Useful life is 10 years. Carrying amount kitna hai, sir? 9,000. Now I say the fair value is 12,000. Now this date is what? 31st 12 2000 X. Now when I transfer IAS 16 भी follow करा revaluation model. IAS 40 also revaluation model. Now when I transfer, can I say I will treat this as per old standard first? What is the old
Yes.
standard here? This one, IAS 16. So we gain कितना है sir?
3,000.
3,000. This gain where will you record?
OCI.
OCI. So this 12,000, can I say what is the entry will pass? Debit, credit. Can I say PP की value 12,000 है because we have revalued? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Investment
Yes.
property also will be 12,000. Now, will there be any depreciation for this now? Once it has entered into IAS 40, depreciation nahi hoga. Because the company is following which model?
IAS 40.
Revaluation.
Revaluation, that is the no depreciation. Now coming to the next case. Now you only say third case कौन सा हो सकता है?
एक कॉस्ट और एक रिवैल्यूएशन.
Yes. I say this is revaluation, this is cost model. अभी now same cost कितना है सर? 10,000. Useful life कितना है सर? 10 years. Carrying amount कितना हो जाएगा? 9,000. Then I say your fair value is 12,000. अभी बताओ ये गेन किधर जाएगा?
OCI में जाएगा.
This
OCI.
gain will go to
OCI.
OCI. सबको क्लियर है? ये OCI में जाएगा. Then can I say what will be the value of this one now? 12,000, sir. 12,000. Now for this, can I say we will depreciate this or not for the coming years?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, because they
Yes,
are
sir.
following cost model. ये तो easy है, ये तो सबको आता है. The issue comes in the last case only. Students को दिक्कत आता है last case में. और क्वेश्चन इससे ही आता है. और sometimes a theory question comes. So now see here now. IAS 16, IAS 40. Now what is pending? Can I say ये cost model पर है, ये क्या है? Revaluation model पर. Then now cost is how much, sir? 10,000. यूजफुल लाइफ कितना है? 10 years. कैरिंग अमाउंट कितना है? 9,000. नाउ this 9,000 will be given to IAS 40. Will IAS 40 take it? A simple question
So,
here.
फेयर वैल्यू लेनी.
IAS 40 will
No,
say कि
sir.
हम लेंगे ही नहीं कॉस्ट की वैल्यू, हमको फेयर वैल्यू चाहिए. अगर फेयर वैल्यू है तो हमको ट्रांसफर करो, तो नहीं चाहिए. नाउ वी कैलकुलेट फेयर वैल्यू. हाँ, फेयर वैल्यू कितना है सर? 12,000. अभी गेन कितना है? 3,000.
3,000.
अभी ये गेन विल बी ट्रीटेड एज पर IAS 40 और IAS 16.
IAS 40.
IAS
16.
40.
क्या है अभी?
Okay.
It will be treated as per IAS 16. So what are the rules of IAS 40? When you transfer any asset, all the adjustment should be done as per old standard. अभी जब हम ट्रांसफर करें, which is the old standard here?
IAS 16.
IAS 16.
IAS 16. So that gain will go to this one. So next year कितना हो जाएगा ये? 12,000. Can I say will there be any depreciation? No
No, sir.
depreciation.
No depreciation.
If at the second year the value will become 15,000. Can I say further 3,000 gain hai? This
Yes, sir.
gain will go to where?
PNL.
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 सबको clear है ये?
Yes, sir.
All the 4 cases.
Yes, sir.
मैं इसको कॉपी करके पेस्ट करूंगा. सेम थिंग वी विल डू फॉर तो अभी इसको रिवर्स कर दो IAS 40 से. दिस विल बी व्हाट? IAS 40 to IAS 16. नाउ आई से दैट IAS 40 to IAS 16. फर्स्ट थिंग में कुछ इशू है क्या?
नहीं.
No, sir.
Can I say first also there will be no issue. Second one I say ये IAS 16 है, ये no sorry मैम, ये IAS 40 है, ये IAS 16 है. अभी नाउ सेम है. कैन आई से इंस्टेड ऑफ OCI ये किधर जाएगा? अभी ये
PNL.
PNL.
PNL. सबको क्लियर है ये? एंड कैन आई से देयर विल बी डेप्रिसिएशन फर्दर नाउ व्हेन वी शिफ्ट टू व्हाट? IAS 16.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now coming to the case 3. IAS 40, IAS 16. Now this OCI, no sir, it will go to PNL,
PNL.
investing category. Abhi now, when it is transferred to this one cost model, can I say this amount will be transferred? No such issue. ये किधर होगा sir? Depreciation will be charged further. Now coming to the last case, जो students को दिक्कत रहता है. Now you should only say 40 है, ये 16 है. Now do we follow here as per cost model? How much is the value, sir? 9,000. Now, if this 9,000 we will give to IAS 16, will IAS 16 take? No. IAS 16 will say what? I need fair value. So I say that the fair value is how much? 12,000. अभी gain कितना है इधर?
3,000.
So where will this gain go now?
PNL.
PNL, not in OCI. Now can I say there will be depreciation for the coming years now? Because in
Yes, sir.
IAS 16 we charge depreciation, even cost or revaluation. And when we charge depreciation, can I say 12,000 divided by 9 years remaining? Yes or no? So how much is the depreciation? 12,000 divided by 9 years. 1333. Now when you record, will you take cost minus this minus this? नहीं. Once we revalue the asset, जो भी subsequent depreciation होगा वो ही लेंगे हम. Whatever is the subsequent depreciation, we will take that one. Avoid this silly mistake. So the carrying amount will be how much? सबको clear है? All the 8 cases? Yes sir, clear. Now a question to everyone. Today I say that I have this building. This building is under what? Sir, IAS 16. Now when it is under IAS 16, I say that I follow revaluation model. When I follow revaluation model, where will I record the gain or loss?
OCI and SPL.
OCI,
PNL and OCI.
OCE, revaluation surplus. Now I say that I transfer this. I transfer this to what, sir? IAS 40. Now whether IAS 40 is following cost model or revaluation model, that we have already discussed. Now can I say in OCI this balance will be there? In revaluation surplus balance will be there. Yes or no, everyone? Now when should you transfer this revaluation to retained earnings? हमने last class में सीखा था IAS 16. I mentioned what? So revaluation surplus will be there. When we will transfer the revaluation surplus? First one is what? Default. When you sell the asset. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Second
sir.
one was what?
Or
Second one
offset,
is what?
offset,
Excess depreciation.
excess, offset करेंगे.
Yes. Now, which one was the default method here? Default method कौन सा था? Can I say first one, option one, when you sell the asset?
Yes.
Now you only say this balance which is there. This balance will you transfer to retain earning when you transfer it to IAS 40 or when you sell it?
When you sell it.
Can I say when you sell it? Now which one will you sell it? Can I say you will sell this property? When you sell this property, see, today you have transferred this to IAS 40. You have not yet sold it, Baba. You have not sold. When you sell that property, at that time you will transfer. Not when you transfer from IAS 40. MCQ के लिए very important. कभी देखा नहीं है MCQ but लिखा हुआ है स्टैंडर्ड में and it has been.
मतलब सर जब सेल करेंगे तो हम जब ट्रांसफर करेंगे, अभी तो हम इसे रिवैल्यूएशन सरप्लस में रखेंगे. IAS 40 में ट्रांसफर नहीं करेंगे हम.
नहीं IAS 40 तो asset ट्रांसफर हो जाएगा बट ये रिवैल्यूएशन सरप्लस में रहेगा ये.
हाँ, रिवैल्यूएशन सरप्लस रहेगा ना IAS 16 में.
It will be but once you transfer the asset to IAS 40, can I say revaluation surplus picture में आएगा क्या once we shift to IAS 40? No. अगर मैंने ऑलरेडी प्रॉपर्टी ट्रांसफर कर दिया, ट्रांसफर करने के बाद में रिवैल्यूएशन आएगा भी नहीं. बट ऑलरेडी वी हैव सम बैलेंस इन द रिवैल्यूएशन सरप्लस. सर वो किधर रिकॉर्ड होगा? शुड वी ट्रांसफर दिस टू रिटेन अर्निंग्स? यस. when you sell this property which you have transferred, ये जब सेल होगा ना, when you sell this you will transfer it. So I hope with this सबको clear है ये सारा कुछ cases. Now what is the basic assumption? what is the first thing we do? Can I say what is the first thing? Treat it as per old standard. Then what we do? Transfer the asset. उसके बाद में क्या करते अपन? Treat as per new standard. This is very important for your MCQ. A last attempt in the pre-mock, this was tested. Even though after mentioning in the class, many students have done mistake in this. So please remember these three things. पहले as per old standard, सर उसके बाद में ट्रांसफर करेंगे, ट्रांसफर होने के बाद में न्यू स्टैंडर्ड वी विल अप्लाई. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? Okay then, chalo. Now one more case. I say from inventory to investment property. Can I say this can happen or not? IAS 2 to IAS 41. Sir, what is IAS 2? Inventory. If I say inventory is also at cost, this is also at cost, will there be any problem?
No, sir.
No. Problem kab hoga? When there will be a problem? Give me 1 minute. Now inventory is recorded at what value, everyone?
Cost.
Or NRV, whichever is lower. आपने
Whichever
पढ़ा है
is
ना?
lower. Yes.
IAS 2 to IAS 41. Now I say that today the cost is 100. NRV is 120. Now at what value you will record? 100? Yes or no? IAS 2 says what, sir? Lower of cost or NRV. ये सबको idea. We will cover this in detail, sir. Cost का meaning क्या है? NRV का meaning क्या later? Now, but IAS 40 is following fair value, sir. Now, when they are following fair value, today I say that the property has a fair value of 130. Now, you only say me, हमको इसको ट्रांसफर करना पड़ेगा कि नहीं? At 130.
Yes.
So, how much is the value? There is a gain of how much, बेटा? 30 का gain है?
30.
This 30 gain should be treated as per which standard? IAS 41
Old
or IAS?
standard.
IAS
Old
2.
standard.
IAS 2 can
IAS 2.
old standard. Now old standard कौन सा sir? IAS 2 gain. Now where will you take this gain? Can I say in inventory will there be any revaluation etc? कुछ भी नहीं है. किधर जाएगा सारा कुछ P&L में?
सर आपने 40 लिखना चाहिए ना, 41 लिखा है.
अरे सॉरी.
एग्रीकल्चर.
हाँ सॉरी. IAS 40. Now this gain is 30 sir. ये 30 किधर जाएगा सर? P&L. Which category in P&L? ऑपरेटिंग कैटेगरी. सबको समझ में आया? दिस इज द डिफरेंस हियर. सो यही लिखा मैंने, एमसीक्यू अगेन, नॉट फॉर कैलकुलेशन. सारा कुछ एमसीक्यू के लिए. सो विद दिस योर IAS 40 मेजर पार्ट इज डन. अभी इधर देखो, ये डिस्क्लोजर पढ़ो. आफ्टर डिस्क्लोजर आई विल स्टार्ट विथ योर क्वेश्चंस. What are the disclosure we should give? Sir, accounting policy. What is accounting policy? Either the company is applying cost model or revaluation. We have to mention this in the notes to account. So then one, sir, assumption in determining fair value. Yes or no? जब हम fair value लेते हैं, can I say what are the assumptions we have taken? So we have to mention that. If cost model the company is following, agar company is following cost model, can I say they have to mention whether depreciation method is which one? WDV or SLM. Most of the time it will be SLM only. Then what? See or no? MCQ again important question. Even though the company is following cost model, can I say still they have to disclose what? What they have to disclose, everyone?
Fair value.
Fair
Fair
value.
value of the
Even though company cost model use कर रही, company still have to disclose what? The fair value. Then sir, Sir, if the company is following revaluation model, then disclose a reconciliation of carrying amount of the investment property at the beginning and at the end, like your passbook. जो हमने पढ़ा ना IAS 16 में, like your passbook. In your passbook we see opening, closing, during the year what all was the transaction. Same way here also we have to do. Then next point, please say anyone. Please see this, and can anyone say me what is this?
सर मॉर्गेज रखते हुए
Yes, can I say for mortgage or any for security purpose you have kept this? You have to mention it. Okay, we have kept this for some security reasons or we have taken some loan on this, etc. You have to mention. Then what's up? Detail of income and expense for investment property. During the year, what is the income or expense relating to the investment property you have to disclose. Then what's your last point? Use of an independent professional value. Can I say to calculate fair value, some person will be hired? To calculate the fair value, we have totally a different standard. And when you hire a person to calculate the fair value, you have to mention that. You need not disclose his name, but you have to mention that the fair value which we have calculated was not based on our assumption. Some professional guy came, he did the valuation. सबको क्लियर है डिस्क्लोजर?
यस सर
अगर हमने अपनी प्रॉपर्टी प्लेज पे रखी है तो वो फिर इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी तो होता है फिर उसका तो कुछ अलग ही ट्रीटमेंट होगा ना
नहीं बेटे,
आईएएस 40 में तो नहीं होगा
मैंने प्रॉपर्टी लिया है, बट दिस प्रॉपर्टी आई हैव गिवन टू
हाँ
यू ऑन रेंट, बट ये प्रॉपर्टी को मैंने लोन पर, आई हैव केप्ट दिस प्रॉपर्टी पेपर एज अ लोन एंड आई हैव गॉट द लोन. कैन आई से वो ट्रीटमेंट
तो
अलग है,
फिर
ये ट्रीटमेंट अलग है?
हाँ सर आप सही बोल रहे हैं
हाँ नहीं ना?
वो ट्रीटमेंट
सी यार, ये मेरे पास प्रॉपर्टी है, मैंने रेंट पर दिया हुआ है, सो मेरे को क्या अप्लाई होगा? IAS 40
आईएएस
और
आईएएस
IAS
40
16
यस यस
और IAS 16 कौन सा भी. बट दिस प्रॉपर्टी
यस
पेपर्स आई हैव गिवन दिस टू द बैंक एंड आई हैव टेकन अ लोन ऑन दिस. कहने से ये लोन का ट्रीटमेंट अलग ही होगा एज पर
यस
IFRS
यस
9
सर
on. बट खाली हमको
सर
डिस्क्लोज.
आईएफआरएस 9 कहाँ से आया लोन पे इंटरेस्ट पे कर रहे हैं
हाँ तो वो लोन का ट्रीटमेंट इसमें ही है IFRS 9 में.
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या नंबर
हाँ,
आया
क्लियर टू एवरीवन डिस्क्लोजर.
यस
चलो,
सर
then with this all is done, now coming to your transfer cases. Now please start doing and say me what will happen, what are the changes we have to consider here. So please read everyone the first question and say me what should be the. We have already done all the cases, so there will be no such problem in this now. But just for again revision purpose, I have given these questions. अभी मैंने क्या बोला? Every time if it is mentioned investment property in your FR, it will be what? IAS 40.
इन्वेस्टमेंट
आईएएस
प्रॉपर्टी
40
हाँ.
सर
A,
आईएएस 40 से आईएएस 16 में जा रहे हैं तो
oh,
5.85 वैल्यू
can I
रहेगा
say the change is what here from IAS 40 to IAS
to
16
16. Now see here now. Can I say इसका carrying amount दिया हुआ है बेटे
यस सर
5.85 million.
5.85
A owned the investment property with a carrying amount of this. On 31st December 2005, A occupied the property when it became the company's head office. Okay. Can I
यूज में
say
डाले
it is going to head office? On the date of change of use, okay, it's a change of use, yes, sir. Property remaining useful life is how much? The 30 years. Then no. If A applies the fair value model to investment property and the fair value is 6 million at the date of change. Now, if the fair value is followed, can I say इसमें कौन सा value follow हो रहा है? Revaluation. Yes or no,
यस
everyone?
सर यस सर
Now, is there any necessity whether the company is following cost or revaluation? Do we need to consider IAS 16 का क्या हो रहा है? No, no. Now, what is the question? Every time the question will be what? How to treat that difference only. अभी IAS 16 में क्या होगा? That later no issues in this. Now I say revaluation. In that case, what is the fair value, sir? 6 million. सो गेन कितने का है इधर?
यस सर, 0.15.
0.50.
So can I say $150,000 if I convert into million? If I convert into this one,
0.15.
अभी क्या होगा अभी इसका? Can I say this will be treated as per old standard? So when you treat this as per old standard, can I say investment property should increase first? Or can I write down? I will write down 0.15 million only. And where will you take this, sir?
P&L,
P&L. Which category?
investing category.
Investing
Okay.
category.
Then they mention if A applies the cost model. अगर A cost model apply कर रहा तो क्या होगा सर? कुछ
सर
होगा क्या?
सेम वैल्यू पे जाएगा.
Can I say it will shift at the same value here? So यही जाएगा, कुछ दिक्कत नहीं होगा इसमें. Then
सर
next,
मतलब बेसिकली ऐसा करना है कि पहले ओल्ड इंडे से उसका आईए से उसका ट्रीटमेंट देना है.
हाँ उसके बाद में ट्रांसफर करना है.
मतलब अभी इधर जैसे कि फेयर वैल्यू किया है तो उसको पहले फेयर वैल्यू करो, उसके बाद ट्रांसफर करो.
हाँ यस बेटे. इवन दो कंपनी इज सेइंग व्हाट, कैरिंग अमाउंट दिया हुआ. कैरिंग अमाउंट कब आता है? कॉस्ट से ही तो आता है कैरिंग अमाउंट, नहीं?
कॉस्ट से ही आता है, बराबर है.
तो दैट इज द रीजन बेटा.
यस.
देन क्लियर विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन? यस सर.
यस सर.
अभी चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर छोटा कर देता हूँ ना. नाउ प्लीज रीड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन एवरीवन.
सर 16 से 40 जा रहा है रिवर्स केस.
सर
वही मतलब
16.
भाई 16 से 40 जा रहा है.
ओके 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 ओके. कैन आई से ये जो वैल्यू रहेगा इधर कितना रहेगा? ये 6 मिलियन रहेगा. इसको अपन
माइनस
क्या डेप्रिशिएट करेंगे कि नहीं?
सर
Yes,
4
sir.
मिलियन है ना.
हाँ
Yes.
6 वी विल डेप्रिशिएट नॉर्मल. यस और नो? ये
सर
नॉर्मल
4 मिलियन है ना वैल्यू.
वैल्यू किधर बेटे? मैं इसका बात कर रहा हूँ, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का बेटे. ये जो मैंने 6 मिलियन का किया ना फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके सर.
ओके. अभी ये इधर जाएगा तो ये भी नॉर्मल डेप्रिसिएशन अप्लाई होगा इस पर.
यस सर.
लेट मी राइट डाउन, वो भी लिख देता हूँ. अभी नेक्स्ट वाला. ऑन 1 October 2004 बी ओन्ड अ हेड ऑफिस विद अ कॉस्ट ऑफ हाउ मच? 4 मिलियन. अक्यूमुलेट डेप्रिसिएशन कितना है? 0.8 मिलियन. सो यूजफुल लाइफ कितना है? 20 years. सो कैन आई से व्हाट इज द डेप्रिसिएशन? 4 मिलियन डिवाइडेड बाय 20. सो ये कितना है? 4 डिवाइडेड बाय 20 पर ईयर डेप्रिसिएशन 0.2 आ रहा है.
0.2.
So that means can I say they have used this property for 4 years? अगर
यस सर.
accumulated depreciation 0.8 है तो इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? Into 4 I do, I get 0.8. That means the company has used this for 4 years. After 4 years they are saying something. So you can see here now. On 31st December 2004, the building meet the definition of investment property when B entered rented it out after moving to new premises. They are shifting, जो मैंने example लिया. Now, so this is a case of what sir? ये कौन सा केस है? IAS 16 से
40 जा रहा है.
IAS 40 है सर. Now, so इसका कॉस्ट कितना है? 4 million. Accumulated depreciation is 0.8. So carrying amount will become 3.2 as of now. Now चलो let us see. If B applies the fair value to investment property, अरे बाप रे बाप. They are saying what? For investment property we are applying fair value. Yes. Then the fair value at the date is how much? 4.5. Now अभी fair value कितना है? 4.5. Now what is the gain here?
1.3.
1.3. Now this gain, even though this is at what sir? Cost model पर है ये तो, but investment property is at what? Fair value.
Fair.
Now same this gain will go to OCI or a P&L?
OCI.
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 Yes or no everyone? ये किधर जाएगा? OCI में जाएगा straight forward. So that is no. Then what will be the new value here? The value will be 4.5. Will this be
4.5.
depreciated?
No.
No depreciation will apply. Yes. अभी सर ये हो गया. अभी नेक्स्ट वाला. If B applies the cost model to investment property, कुछ भी नहीं ना. Can I say क्या होगा इस पर? Your carrying amount is how much? 3.2. This will be transferred to 3.2. And will this be depreciated?
Yes.
Yes.
यस
तो ये सबको क्लियर है दोनों क्वेश्चन.
सर IAS 40 में तो डेप्रिसिएशन नहीं रहते हैं ना, नो डेप्रिसिएशन.
रिवैल्यूएशन मेथड रहेंगे तो ले लेते,
बट
अच्छा,
इधर
नॉर्मल
कौन सा
मेथड
मॉडल है
रहेंगे
बेटे?
तो लेते.
कॉस्ट
कॉस्ट
मॉडल.
मॉडल होगा तो.
कॉस्ट मॉडल.
ओके.
So let me take the last two questions. You will say me sir इतना क्यों करवा रहे? ये आता है.
एकदम एकदम ऐसे आपने ये कर दिया, मतलब सोचने लगा.
क्या?
ब्लैंक हो रहा मैं.
क्यों रे?
एकदम पूरा एक ही साथ दे दिया आज.
एक ही पूरा सीखा हुआ था ऑलरेडी. मैंने बोला है जो भी होगा आईएएस सिस्टम में पूरा रिपीट होगा. इधर कुछ
सर
नया था क्या?
नहीं नहीं.
कुछ नया.
आज
ओनली डेप्रिसिएशन का नया था. इन फेयर वैल्यू यू
हाँ,
गो टू
ऐसा
फेयर.
समझ दो ना सर, अभी समझ गया.
हाँ वो अभी करना पड़ेगा रिवाइज एवरी डे. इफ यू जस्ट स्पेंड 5 to 10 minutes आईएएस 40 रिवीजन हो जाएगा.
यस सर.
अभी स्टूडेंट्स बोलते सर ये केस से इतना क्यों एग्जांपल करवाते हो? ट्रांसफर एग्जांपल ऑलरेडी दे दिया. मुझे मालूम है क्वेश्चन आता है. ये आता है तो 2 marks. यू शुड अवॉइड सिली मिस्टेक्स.
सर सेक्शन ए में आता कि बी में आता?
सेक्शन ए में. ये तो स्पेशली सेक्शन ए में ही आता है. ये
क्या बात
सेक्शन
है.
बी में कोई नहीं आता. ये नहीं आएगा सेक्शन बी में इतना. सेक्शन ए ओनली 99% I've seen a lot of questions section A only.
हाँ,
But when you see your exam kit question etc. ये जो मैं करवा रहा हूँ है ही नहीं. बट वो आता है एग्जाम में. That is the reason.
अच्छा सर.
Now please read the next question.
सर
K. This is a which case? From which to which?
इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी टू
IAS
16.
40 to IAS 16.
Okay बेटे. चलो let us read. K company has held a property as an investment property for several years. Okay. Measuring using fair value. Okay. They are following which model here?
रिवैल्यूएशन मॉडल.
Then. At 1st January 2000 X1, the property was carried at a fair value of how much, sir? 12 million in the financial statement. So
Yes,
इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? 1st जनवरी को वैल्यू कितनी है बेटे इधर?
12 million.
12 million. अभी ये किस में है? अभी तक किस में? ये दिस इज अंडर
रिवैल्यूएशन मॉडल
Revaluation
IAS.
model.
valuation under IAS 40. Then, sir, on 1st July 2000 X1, K began using the property for its own business operation. Okay, okay. They are shifting to IAS 16 on what date? 1st July
डेप्रिसिएशन लगेगा ही नहीं रिवैल्यूएशन.
2000 X1. Then, meaning it is now owner occupied. At that date, the fair value of the property was how much? 14. And the remaining
14
was 14 years. Okay, sir. Fair value कितना है ये? 14 million. So now useful life कितना दिया हुआ है? 14.
14 years.
वो अभी इसको
14.
12 million divided by 14.
सर
Depreciation.
रिवैल्यूएशन मॉडल है ना, डेप्रिसिएशन कहाँ है?
Now will you apply depreciation on this?
नो सर.
No, sir.
क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है यूजफुल लाइफ. क्यों दिया हुआ है?
प्रॉपर्टी में आने के बाद डेप्रिसिएशन आगे के पीरियड का लगे.
कैन आई से हियर नाउ विल यू चार्ज डेप्रिसिएशन फॉर द 6 months? नहीं
नो
होगा.
सर.
अभी गेन कितना है ये? गेन इज 2 million.
यस सर.
दिस विल बी रिकॉर्डेड इन पीएनएल इन्वेस्टिंग कैटेगरी.
यस
अभी
सर.
इसका कितना होगा वैल्यू? कैरिंग अमाउंट कितना हो जाएगा इन आईएएस
14
16 का?
मिलियन. 14
14
मिलियन.
मिलियन. कैन आई से अभी क्या करना हमको? डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज
डेप्रिसिएट
करना.
करना पड़ेगा. यस सर.
अभी जब अभी डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज करेंगे कैन आई से एसएलएम का ही है ये.
यस सर. एसएलएम ही.
तो पर ईयर का डेप्रिसिएशन कितना है ये इधर?
1 मिलियन.
1 million.
1 million. बट डू वी चार्ज फुल 1 million?
6 months.
No, sir.
6 मंथ का
6
जितना
months.
प्रोपोर्शनेट है.
तो कैन आई से सर डेप्रिसिएशन कितना होगा? सर 1 million
0.5
into
0.5 million.
0.5. अभी कितना है? कैरिंग अमाउंट कितना हो जाएगा असेट बैलेंस शीट डेट पर 31/12 पर कितना हो जाएगा ये सर
13.5.
13.5 मिलियन। अभी ये किधर जाएगा सर ये पीएनएल में जाएगा नहीं ना पीएनएल
यस
में
सर,
कौन सी
P&L में
कैटेगरी
जाएगा ऑपरेटिंग।
ऑपरेटिंग कैटेगरी इन्वेस्टिंग कैटेगरी बट इफ द एमसीक्यू इज आस्किंग यू व्हाट इज द नेट अमाउंट इन योर पीएनएल अभी नेट अमाउंट कितना जा रहा है पीएनएल में बिकॉज ऑफ
P&L
दिस
में
because of this transaction what is the net amount that is required
1.5।
can I say 2 million minus 0.1 it is 1 so read the mcq properly क्या पूछा
लिखना कंपलसरी है, मतलब ये तो
क्या
समझ गए।
क्या
लिखना कंपलसरी है, लिख के नहीं करोगे तो कुछ नहीं आता।
हाँ वो तो मैंने बोला ना रोहित वो तो आपको लिख के स्क्रिबल करके करना ही है आप नीट से मत लिखो इट्स नॉट
हाँ।
रिक्वायर्ड दैट यू मेक फैंसी नोट्स एक्सेट्रा नो रिक्वायर्ड इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड अप्लाई दैट व्हेन यू अप्लाई यू रिमेंबर इट
यस सर।
अभी इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं सर ये होगा सर अभी क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 प्लीज रीड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एवरीवन the questions which you see in my question bank will be in sequence only and every question will say you what is the mistake you should avoid so that you will not repeat in your mcq this is also what
पहले तो
पहले
शिफ्टिंग वाला हो गया ना।
आप
रिवर्स
पहले
है
हार्ड
सर
ऑफ
ये।
किधर से
IS
is 40
16 से, IS 40 से
is 40 से कि is 16 से बेटे
16 से 40 है।
हाँ ओके so now Y owns a building which it has been using a head office. In order to reduce cost on 30th June 2009, it moved its head office function to one of its production centers and now letting out its former head office. The company policy is used to fair value for investment property. Okay. So they are saying that it is a case of what sir? IS 16 से लेकर IS 40. But IS 40 they are following which model? Revaluation. अभी IS 16 का कुछ दिया हुआ है उन्होंने क्या which model can I say they have not mentioned it but only they have mentioned it what original cost so what will I assume sir cost model they are following
SLM बेसिस पे डेप्रिशिएट करेंगे।
yes now see on what date we are transferring it and on
12
what date
जनवरी।
we are standing here so please see the dates are very important here
सर 8 महीने का, 8 नहीं 7 महीने का डेप्रिसिएशन है।
ओहो रोहित is saying 7 महीने का बराबर से दे डेट रोहित see the dates properly
सर 6 months का
6
डेप्रिसिएशन
मंथ, 6
लगेगा।
मंथ 30th जून।
6 months okay
यस सर।
others
The 9.5 years.
9.5 years. So yeah, is saying 9.5 years. Okay. Others
6 मंथ सर।
okay. Or others also there no in class Pooja, Purvi, Srivali, Simran, Neha. मैंने क्या बोला डेट बराबर से देखो प्लीज सी द डेट्स प्रॉपर्ली
9.5.
9.5 okay one more with 9.5
9.5 years sir.
9.5 okay when did we purchase this property 1st
2000 X1.
January 2000 X0. But on what date we are transferring? Can I say 30th June 2000 X9? Can I say after 9 years?
Yes, sir.
यस और नो रोहित?
सर समझा ही नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं। डेट्स का बहुत झमेला है वहाँ पर।
जमेला नहीं है, डेट देखना, डेट क्या दिया उन्होंने? उन्होंने क्या दिया हुआ है, कब अपन शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं? 30 जून को ना,
हाँ
2000x9 दिया हुआ है। बट
हाँ
हमने परचेस कब किया ये? 1 जनवरी
वर्जन।
2000x0। कहना ही से ये दोनों एक्स ही है,
हाँ
तो सेम ही रहेगा।
यस।
तो अभी मैं लिख देता हूँ 2010 2019। अभी कितने साल का फर्क है?
नो सर।
9 साल का ना। अभी ये क्या है डेट? ये 1 जनवरी है, ये क्या है? 30 जून है। अभी टोटल हाउ मेनी इयर्स इज द डिफरेंस हियर?
सर ये लेटर्स का थोड़ा सा बता दो ना, कैसा है क्या है।
कुछ भी नहीं रोहित, कभी भी डेट लिखा होता है ना, क्या करना है?
हाँ
अगर 2000x1 लिखा है
हाँ
और 2000x2 लिखा है, कहना ही से
हाँ
ये दोनों एक ही है।
यस।
ये दोनों एक ही है, तो गिव सम नंबर टू दिस एक्स। कोई भी एक नंबर दे दो। 2001 दे दूं,
हाँ
2012, या तो 2002 दे दूं मैं, कोई नहीं, 2023। यस और
अच्छा, एक कॉमन सेम रहेगा तो फिर
हाँ,
सेम नंबर देना।
यस यस बेटा। अगर मैं इसको बोलूं कि सर ये 2000y1 है, ये 2000z2 है, अभी क्या
तो
करूं?
फिर 1 और 2।
कहना इसे 1 1, इसको 2 2 होगा अभी।
यस सर।
अभी इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस, अगर उन्होंने ऐसे दिया है 2000x1 2000w1,
हाँ
अभी क्या?
उल्टा कर दिया बस ऑर्डर में।
हाँ
तो
बस,
इसको
अभी
नीचे वाले को 1 और ऊपर वाले को 2।
नीचे वाले को 1, हाँ
1।
ऊपर। हाँ,
ठीक
अभी
है।
समझ में आया?
यस सर।
हाँ, अभी बोलो, अभी कितने साल का है इधर डेप्रिसिएशन? 9.5 years everyone?
यस
Yes.
सर।
9.5 years depreciation we have to calculate. So abhi sir, let me do this here. So depreciation कितना होगा, कॉस्ट कितना है? $250,000 है।
यस
देखो इधर, हाँ यस सर। अभी 9 years का डेप्रिसिएशन डिवाइडेड बाय व्हाट इज द यूजफुल लाइफ। लाइफ कितना दिया? 50 years, बट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट इनटू 9.5। ये कितना आ रहा है?
47,500.
इनटू 9.5 डिवाइडेड बाय 47,500 is what my accumulated depreciation everyone.
यस सर।
अभी
Yes.
कैरिंग अमाउंट कितना हो जाएगा व्हेन यू आर शिफ्टिंग हियर? 20255, 2 लाख।
यस सर।
सो ए केस में क्या बोल रहा है सर? ए केस में बोल रहा है कैरिंग अमाउंट कितना एज ऑफ नाउ? 2025। नाउ लेट अस रीड द ए केस हियर। नाउ दे मेंशन दैट, ओके ओके, नथिंग, नो केसेस, ओनली ए
हाँ
ही है।
वही बोल रहा हूँ सर,
यस।
वही केस है।
एट 30 जून फेयर वैल्यू कितना बेटे ये?
38 जून का 3.5।
Can I say we are
50,000.
transferring on 30th June only? 30th June को ट्रांसफर हो रहा, बट पहले किस में थे अपन?
पहले IS 16 में थे।
और IAS 16 में कॉस्ट मॉडल था, सो दैट इज द रीजन कैन आई से आई हैव चार्ज 6 months depreciation.
यस।
But IAS 40 is at which method?
रिवैल्यूएशन में।
So can I say I have to do the fair value of this one?
यस।
Yes.
अभी ये कितना होगा, गेन कितना है बेटे ये?
147,500.
अभी ये किधर जाएगा?
ये जाएगा P&L में।
पीएनएल में जाएगा कि ओसीएम में जाएगा?
PI में
ओल्ड
जाएगा.
OCI उसे।
OCI अंडर रीवैल्यूएशन सरप्लस। यस सर। नाउ से मी व्हाट विल बी द कैरिंग अमाउंट हियर? अभी इसका क्या हो जाएगा? 350।
यस सर।
350.
sir.
Now the company is following revaluation model. Do we charge depreciation for the 6 months?
नो सर।
No, sir.
No depreciation, sir. अभी revaluation amount कितना है अभी ये ईयर एंड पर?
320.
अभी 320 है
यस।
सर। अभी ये 320 है। अभी ये कितने का है लॉस?
30,000.
30,000.
P&L में जाएगा।
30,000। अभी ये 30,000 का सर लॉस आ गया। अभी लॉस किधर जाएगा?
P&L।
PNL.
अभी ये मत बोलना कि सर ओसीए में पड़ा बैलेंस ये यूज कर लेंगे, नहीं। व्हाट डिड आई मेंशन? वंस वी ट्रांसफर एवरीथिंग विल बी एज पर IAS 40। ओसीए का कुछ लॉजिक नहीं आएगा। सो
यस सर।
30,000 पीएनएल एज व्हाट सर? लॉस इन विच कैटेगरी?
Investing.
इन्वेस्टिंग कैटेगरी। नाउ अ क्वेश्चन टू एवरीवन, सर ये जो अभी ओसीए में गेन पड़ा, व्हेन डू वी ट्रांसफर दिस टू रिटेन अर्निंग्स? कैन आई से व्हेन वी सेल दिस प्रॉपर्टी?
Yes, sir.
व्हेन वी सेल दिस प्रॉपर्टी। सबको समझ में आया ये केस?
यस सर।
यस। सो व्हाट इज द पॉइंट दैट डू नॉट अज्यूम कि सर ये 30,000 लॉस है इसको अपन ऑफसेट कर देंगे, नहीं। once you go to IS 40, IS 16 will not apply, no OCI, nothing offset, no rules. But this whatever is the balance when we transfer to retain earnings when the property is sold. Yes. So with this your IS 40 is done. So what are the new things? You only say what is the new thing which we have learned here now.
रिवैल्यूएशन मेथड रहेगा तो डेप्रिसिएशन नहीं अप्लाई करें।
And revaluation gain where will you record?
P&L।
P&L. Then what is the next thing? Can I say transfer case was the new one? Whatever
Yes.
is the transfer before giving to some asset, please see and treat as per old standard only if you are fair valuing it. Then what is the next thing we have learned? The next thing we have learned that the balance which is there in revaluation surplus will be transferred to retain earning only once we sell the asset, not once we
Yes, sir.
transfer it. And then अकाउंटिंग एस्टिमेट के लिए क्या करेंगे सर? प्रोस्पेक्टिव ट्रीटमेंट। अकाउंटिंग पॉलिसी के लिए क्या करेंगे?
Retrospective।
रेट्रोस्पेक्ट। So with this all your questions are done. Now the pending part is what? Your MCQs. अभी कितने MCQs है इधर? बहुत सारे MCQs हैं. So not be able to do everything, but as of now let us start and do some of the other MCQ so that I get to know how do you solve MCQ when you do by yourself. अरे easy है रे, देख first question. Do not scream the answer. Read it and keep the answer with you, or you can send me in the chat box personally, not either normal. जब भी मेरे को मालूम पड़ेगा किसका राइट है किसका रॉन्ग है. आपके पास यू विल बी हैविंग 1.8 मिनट्स इन योर एग्जाम और 2 मिनट्स, उसके ऊपर नहीं देना ये क्वेश्चन. IA 16 others. ओके, सेम ही दी ऑप्शन. ऑप्शन कौन सा है? यस, ओके. सबको क्लियर है ये? आई होप इसी सिया सी कैसे? See now, a building, a a building company owns a property which is currently occupied by its subsidiary. How does this property be accounted in the consolidated? Can I say it's what? A building company? If it's a building company, it has a property. Can I say it is what? Here, it could be anything in separate books. Can I say in individual books, accounting treatment can differ, but consolidated book में क्या होगा? If they have given this to subsidiary, it will be option D or this one, IA 16. Now do the next one. चलो. I mentioned on the day one, try to apply the elimination technique for theory questions. D, D, everyone are saying D. Chalo then, let me start. Which of the following could require a property to be accounted for under IS 40? Commencement of owner occupation. इसको क्या अप्लाई होगा?
16.
IA 16. No, this is out.
IS 16.
Then commencement of a development with a view to sale. व्यू ही क्या सेल करने के लिए?
IS 16
IS 16 की
सेल
IS 2.
करने के लिए तो इसका तो
कमेंसमेंट
आपने
ऑफ
बताया था
डेवलपमेंट। हाँ हाँ, खुद से डेवलप कर रहे हो उसके बाद सेल कर
IS 2 सेल
IS
करो।
IS
2।
2. Then the cessation of a lease to another party. आपके पास एक बिल्डिंग है, आपने लीज पर दिया हुआ, यू आर स्टॉपिंग दैट. नाउ व्हेन यू स्टॉप दिस, कैन आई से इट डिपेंड्स हियर?
ऑपरेटिंग की फाइनेंस है।
कैन आई से इट डिपेंड्स? सी, अगर आपके पास प्रॉपर्टी आपने मुझे लीज पर दिया, यस और नो? If you have given this to me on lease, what will you do in your books? You will either record this as per IAS 40 or IAS 16. Yes or no? Yes.
यस सर।
Depends whether it's your business or not. Yes.
यस
But
सर।
can I say here I have, so ये होगा क्या आंसर? Can I say कुछ mention it properly? It is out. The cessation of a owner occupation. You have a property. Now this you are not using for your business purpose. अगर business purpose के लिए नहीं है तो क्या होगा उसके बाद में?
IS 40।
IS 40
IAS 40. Clear to everyone? The answer is here D1.
सर एक बार
चलो,
थर्ड वाला पता ना, सीजेशन ऑफ लीज टू
see,
अनदर पार्टी इसका।
cessation of lease, what A is that A ने B को प्रॉपर्टी लीज पर दिया, so B will apply what? IFRS 16. In IFRS 16 we will learn what is the detail, etc. But now you only say me here, this A will keep this property with himself, yes or no? Now when they are keeping this property, then I mention what? इधर क्या होगा? डिसाइड क्या होगा?
IS 60
Now, can I say A will decide whether it is for their business or it is for their rental purpose? Abhi,
हाँ
now here they have they mentioned whether this A company will use this for business or it is his business to give this property on rent? इधर कुछ मेंशन किया हुआ कि ए का
नो
बिजनेस है?
सर,
भी नहीं मेंशन किया हुआ. They have not mentioned anything
नहीं नहीं
except.
नहीं।
Then what will I say? IS 16 होगा उसके में, that means
कुछ
yes.
भी हो सकता।
Yes. So
यस सर।
I'm stopping to give this asset on lease. If I stop to give that asset on lease, can I say it will be my IS 16? Here in detail, when you go in practical world, totally it will be different. But here, what is the assumption I have taken? मैंने क्या बोला इधर? The cessation of a lease to another party. So that means what? Now you have stopped leasing it. Once you have that property, normally you'll do what? You'll use your for your business. See here now.
यस सर, यस सर।
Many students will confuse between C or the D. A and B तो answer है ही नहीं इधर. Now, which one is the closest answer here? As per logical way, when we go, can I say logic से ये answer है? Yes or no? As per logic,
यस सर।
this is the answer. So D will be your answer, not this one. Then chalo next question. Eight minutes, 2 minutes to do the question. Anyone with the answer? D. Oh. Others? 2 minutes is done. In your exam, the time is done. Okay. Two only have given the answer. Okay. Chalo, time is done. Now see. This is a case from what to what? Everyone say me. IAS 16 to
40
40. Under IAS 40, which model we are following?
cost model.
IAS 40
IS 40 revaluation model.
and here cost model. Now see.
Yes.
The company seizes owner occupation of a building on 1st. Can I say they're seizing on 1st January? So if they are seizing, that means on 1st January they are transferring. So 1st
sir.
January के पहले जो भी रहेगा वो किधर जाएगा?
P&L.
P&L में से. Then and let the building out to a third party. The fair value of the building at the date was estimated to be how much? Okay, 9 million.
900.
So on 1st January 2003, fair value kitna sir? 9 million. So can I say when I transfer, I should do what? I should transfer at 9 million. Yes, sir. Then see, the building had originally cost how much? 800,000. Okay. On what date it was the cost? This was on 1st January 2000x1. So kitne saal pehle? 2 years.
2 साल.
So can I say my carrying amount will be how much? Can I say my carrying amount will be 800,000 minus depreciation accumulated. Accumulated depreciation is how much, sir? 2 years ka. 800,000 divided by what is the useful life? 50. So what is my accumulated depreciation? 16,000 into 2, 32,000, sir.
32,000.
So 800,000 minus 32,000. So अभी carrying amount कितना आ रहा है ये?
768,000.
768,000. Now when you revalue this, अभी carrying amount कितना है इधर?
768,000.
760. अभी कितने से revalue कर रहे हैं? This value. So what is the difference here now?
1,32,000.
1,32,000. Everyone getting the same value? अभी ये 1,32 किधर जाएगा? P&L की OCI.
P&L. OCI.
OCI. Yes. अभी प्रॉपर्टी का कितना बन जाएगा वैल्यू?
900.
Now what is the remaining useful life? Can I say remaining useful life कितना है? 48. Will I depreciate this?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
So but fair value कितना है? Balance sheet weighted.
9 lakh. 11 lakh.
1100. That is 1.1 million. अभी बताओ कितना इंक्रीज है ये?
200.
200. ओके सर, गेन निकाल दे, निकल जाए. अभी पीएनएल में क्या जाएगा बता दो बस, सिंपल. फॉर द करेंट ईयर 2000x3 के लिए पीएनएल में क्या जाएगा? 200,000. ओके.
200,000 gain.
200,000 सर.
हाँ, बट रोहित सर आपने डी कैसे बोला?
सर मैंने वो रिवैल्यूएशन
भी ऐड किया,
किया.
बट अभी डेप्रिसिएशन आप ऐड करते हो तो कितना होता है? लेस होता है.
रिवैल्यूएशन. हाँ.
अभी समझ.
सर मैंने माइनस गलत कर दिया. मैंने 11 लाख माइनस 93 लिख दिया था.
नहीं नहीं बेटे, अवॉइड सिली मिस्टेक्स.
वो कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक है. कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक हो गई थी.
यस, अंडरस्टैंड. इन केस ऑफ पीएनएल के लिए खाली फॉर द ईयर डेटा लेते अपन, नॉट एज एट. सो योर आंसर विल बी व्हाट? 200,000. अभी ये जो है ना 132,000, दिस विल गो टू ओसीआई and that 16,000, 32,000 will go to P&L depreciation in X1, X2. But the question is
सर
regarding
डेप्रिसिएशन का क्या करेंगे आप?
डेप्रीसिएशन बेटे किस ईयर में चार्ज किया आपने? 2000 X1 में किया, 2000 X2 में किया ना, वो तो
हाँ
उधर
हाँ
रिकॉर्ड हो
हाँ,
जाएगा। बट हम
पास्ट डेट है बराबर है।
पास डेट है, क्वेश्चन में 2000 X3 का पूछा हुआ है। चलो देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आई विल डू
हाँ
टिल फिफ्थ
बराबर
क्वेश्चन।
है।
डी,
क्वेश्चन दिखाऊं?
क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है ना बेटे, डी वाला, फोर्थ फोर्थ क्वेश्चन।
यस यस, नहीं अभी दिख रहा है। यस यस।
Which of the following is under IS 40? If it you are using for business, can I say it will be IS 16? Retail premises for your
यस,
business, IS 16. Sir, you are using for supply of service, IS 16.
IS 16।
So ultimate बचा क्या? D, IS 40. The next one, everyone.
अरे ये सर लगाई।
चलो देन लेट अस डिस्कस। सबका अलग अलग आंसर है सबका। अरे बाप, इफ द फेयर वैल्यू ऑफ एन इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी कैन नॉट बी रिलायबली मेजर्ड, नाउ वो क्या बोल रहे, फेयर वैल्यू नहीं मालूम पड़ रहा है। नाउ व्हाई डू बी रिकॉर्डेड फेयर वैल्यू? कैन आई से टू गेट ट्रू प्रेजेंटेशन?
यस सर।
अगर फेयर वैल्यू नहीं मालूम है तो किस पर रिकॉर्ड करेंगे उसके बाद?
एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट।
एस्टिमेटेड। आप एस्टिमेट भी कर
हाँ,
रहे हो, नहीं मालूम पड़ रहा
एस्टिमेटेड।
है। अगर आप एस्टिमेट करोगे तो ट्रू प्रेजेंटेशन मिलेगा क्या?
नहीं।
No, sir.
नो सर, नो सर, नो सर।
कॉस्ट मॉडल सेम एज IS 16। सो ये नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा, वैल्यू न्यूज आता ही नहीं, रिप्लेसमेंट कॉस्ट आता ही नहीं है। दिस आई मेंशन रिप्लेसमेंट कॉस्ट IS इसमें है, 2 में इन्वेंट्री। अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन?
यस सर।
यस। चलो देन लेट मी डू दिस लास्ट। ये क्वेश्चन थियरी के करवा देता हूं, आप प्रैक्टिकल कर लेना। 5-6 minutes extra I will take and we will do this. Please see everyone this one. Okay, 3 of them have mentioned the answers. Others, I hope others are also solving. Be active and solve. These are your exam questions only, not basic questions. Which of the following is investment property according to IS 47? An investment in land or building other than lease property. मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं आया सर. I will move to next point as of now. A property owned and occupied by ये तो होगा ही नहीं सर. See, in exam this only will happen. ये तो कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा पॉइंट सर. Okay, let us keep this. Let us read. See, a property which is held to rental or for capital. Can I say यही पढ़ा हमने? So as
यस
of
सर।
now, I think this is the answer. Let me read the other also. An investment in land or building, whether to let third party or occupied by an entity within a group. Can I say, agar if this is given within the group, can I say for consolidation it becomes IS 16? So can I yes, can I say this is also something out of the box?
यस सर।
यस
A be out of the box. Then answer is what?
सी।
Understood everyone? Chalo, the next one. Okay. Others? In accordance with IS 40 investment property, which two of the following are classified as? Can I say property held for long term? Capital appreciation, we have learned that. Then, sir, ओनर ऑक्यूपाइड नहीं सर, ये तो क्या IS 16 हो
अच्छा
जाएगा.
थर्ड
एंड
लैंड हेल्प
सी अनडिटरमाइंड यूज. कैन आई से एम्प्लॉय के लिए क्या होगा ये IS 16. यस सर. देन which of the following is an investment property under
डिटरमाइन
yes which of the following is an investment property under IS 40? जो मैंने नोट्स में लिखा है इन द नोट्स, those are the MCQ parts. Wherever you find notes in my notes, very important for MCQ.
सर जो नोट में लिखा है वो.
Yeah, notes. Wherever you find in my notes, note heading note करके रहेगा ना, important points to note. That one I'm saying बेटा.
Okay.
और examples etc. Which of the following is an investment property? Owner occupied होगा क्या सर? नहीं. ये क्या होगा? IS 16. Property that is available for sale. IS 2. ये भी नहीं होगा. Property under construction on behalf of third party. Can I say IFRS 15? You have someone else property. So ultimately क्या आंसर है सर? A is your answer. Then please read the ninth one. 9th and 10th I will do. 11th you will be doing. 11th से लेकर the rest 20 you can do easily. Under IS 40 investment property, which of the following transfer could result in a change from cost model to fair value? A transfer from investment property to owner occupied property. Okay. The next one is what? A transfer from inventory to property available for rent. A transfer from investment property to inventory when the property is intended for sale.
सर 2 और 3 में तो आता ही नहीं फेयर वैल्यू.
Okay, 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 okay. Others, what
इन्वेंट्री.
is it?
बट सेकंड में इन्वेंटरीज जो है कॉस्ट मॉडल पे होती है और जो रेंटल पे जो दिया है हमने वो तो रिवैल्यूएशन मॉडल अंडर IS 40 इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉपर्टी.
Okay, question क्या है? Please read the question everyone once again. Under IS 40 investment property, which of the following transfer could result in a change from a cost model to fair value? Could result a change.
ये सर फर्स्ट हो गया. फर्स्ट ये चेंज है उसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट टू ओनर ऑक्यूपाइड.
Owner occupied. Okay. Others, what do you say? Now, answer sabne. Okay. The answer is only B. The answer is B, not A. 2 only. Can I say when you shift from IS 60 to IS 40, can I say a lot of cases can be there here? Either cost model, revaluation model. Either cost model or revaluation model. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes sir.
But in case of inventory, do you record inventory at fair value?
No sir.
No. So you only say me which one will result from cost model to. Can I say inventory will be always recorded to cost and investment
Yes.
property can be recorded cost or fair value? So your answer is what? B. 2, not this one.
B.
Why? Because IAS 16 can either follow cost or revaluation. Agar they are saying revaluation, then this is a transfer from revaluation to cost. This is not as per this one. Or if I say it is from cost to cost, ये भी नहीं है. Can I say all the cases will not apply here? The case will apply, that is second one. Read the last
सर
question.
फर्स्ट में भी कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट ही हाँ फर्स्ट में 4 केसेस हो जाएंगे ठीक है
उन्होंने क्या बोला? कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट होगा तो नहीं, हमको क्या जाना है? कॉस्ट टू फेयर वैल्यू जाना है ना.
यस यस यस
दैट इज द रीजन बेटे. ये चारों 8 केस भी अग्री नहीं होगा इधर. लास्ट 2 आर ओके. नेक्स्ट वन 10th. Please say me the last one. Can I say administrative purpose? Will this come?
नो
No, sir.
Incorrect. Use for supply? Incorrect, sir. Use for production? Incorrect, sir.
इनकरेक्ट लास्ट
ये
में
दोनों आंसर है. करेक्ट करेक्ट. So with this, the 10
करेक्ट
questions we have done. So this you can do your homework. और उसके बाद में सब कुछ
यस
आपका होमवर्क किया. So please do it and we will discuss this. The major part I have done. So with this, your this standard is done. So please revise it. So tomorrow we will be starting with which one? कल क्या स्टार्ट करेंगे अपन?
23.
आईएएस 23
23 नहीं 38 intangible
38 इंटेंजिबल
as it is same. उधर भी कुछ भी नहीं है, पूरा सेम है. Here and there some points, there also revaluation, some problem is there, we will understand that and we
सर
will.
नोट शेयर कर देना
कर दिया ना नोट? देख, I have shared already.
यस सर
Did you
सर
receive?
मीटिंग बंद कर दो
Okay, bye bye, have a good day. Signing off. Radhe Radhe to
यस
everyone.